runner-up. 2011 I am Songil Youth Club winner, runner-up Tuibong Area Youth Club. 2012 Famuvanlay FC winner, B. Aizalon Youth Club runner-up. 2013 B. Aizalon Youth Club winner, S. Haizang Association of Youth runner-up. 2014 M. Songil Youth Club winner, Tuibong Civilized Club runner-up. 2016 UKB winner, runner-up Ganggam Soccer Club. 2017 Konsam FC winner, UKB runner-up. 2018 FC Zalen winner, Ganggam runner-up. 2019 Ganggam winner, Zinhanglam Ka Youth Club runner-up. 2020 Simropia winner, Simropia runner-up, Koite Youth Club. 2021 winner Simropia, runner-up Papa FC. Hichitan Chuning Kum Chana winner to, runner-up Hohin to kumhi final team ni Anun FC versus Ichay area. Ung hidihin chichu tu ni final match si Diu Ivet Diu ung hintin. Hello. Announcement player ho chu agan thailam pe na ground sunga hang lut dia het sa na hive. Lung sit ta ground sunga hang lut dia het sa na hive. Hello. Ichay area ho chu na ki gun chai tau le lung sit ta in ground sung lang zoom ta leo chun ki pau me. Hello. Player on the ground sung ataw na ding munuang na ding munan zone tawin. Ipihile. Program hi pat na ding lang ng ay 2000. The 15 Poos led HOIKIM Elias S. Patrick Henry Memorial Open Football Tournament 2022 organized by Holmun Youth Club, Mun Holmun Lentol, Churchatpur, 14 November 2022, final day. Anchor, Lun Husay HOIKIM, Vice President, KYC. Invocation prayer, Elder Titin Kulun Holmun. Welcome address, Pune Thang. Speech in remembrance of the departed soul and keynote address, Pu Hemlal Donor. Final match, Anun FC versus IAYDA. Ipili tuan program na panutin. Atuin invocation prayer upa tinkulun hamakan kawi.
Patini nga tao na namang ote, laking so kayo te. Wan mun te nga kapaw patin. Nalungsin na hikitangin pa. September tarik som thumnia na kipan. Ite HOIKIM Memorial Tournament ya anakigong. Napathebo na yalin kum som lang atan ng manahin puyevin. Tunin hite final ni ko lopi tahin ang akunin kamuvin. Kakipawin na masatay na minting katangbawin na hi. Tungsin natin kapaw patin. Nang enable peohin. Ite kingay lunalin ta. Kaya jing na thay dinga itabang hunong ke ball tournament hi Manipur State pumpi sungay hien gamdang gayin zong hepa amin thang thain iso nang inay ball peo hin donor pa hin lamkai hoi che board member hoi hin nakithopi in turi chan ge hin boile ma cham lowa itabang tournament ho phata che la thai jing jin namin sang tain kan thang ba vinai jing ka pau pathen Tuni ni kuwa ki manca ni di hozo se yung nang man nalagaw ting ni vopi ben lang. Aki chem ting ho yung nang man pate na pen lang. Kisukha na tela nang man vengin lang. Kitub se la hita program hoi saya zo am te na dingin na kuteng ta involve sein. Kapag kay Jesu Krista minin na ko makang tawin eh. Amen.
Baan na chal kidutin. In welcome address Pune Thang HOIKIM Maphat kan pikide.
Kumkhat nikhat na hong kipuddo ngay lunum ta pu HOIKIM Memorial Sports kum som langa san geya in puyuwa papathin amasapenin thangwa na kanpin tuni ni khoin ahong kipana pana in lam kayo lâm chum chuma ho lam kai ho in phat in la to pi pe ho chule tu ni san ge ya pan hel la jing ho chunga organizing board minin ki pa thu le kalim naw kan pi in chule abanin in sung mi ho pu sei kam ngai lu na zala ama in sung mi ho ong kal sung ho sule lam chom choma lam kai ho sule nam lam kai za chom choma mo pu na nei tu nia hong ho zo si organizing board minin kali movin Suban le hichilai muna hungki salal jing referee board ho hi in organizing board ho hi in sule khotul ju club ho a hi win tu ni san ge ya tu ni ai hung la piu wa tu ni apada pada in mo pui jing ho na ho zo si chunga jong organizing board minin ki pa thu le kalim naw kaza naw kan pi in tu ni hin sule ahung ki chim ding club te ni angai lua hung kal song mi pi ho za chom choma hung lam kai ho ai lo wai le hitabong kichip gol se hung lol hinsa mi pi ho nu la party ho zo se tuniang kal song ho zo se organizing board minin kaza naw le kalim naw chibai kan bole hichu tunia ikilim naw le ahilo wa hele za chom choma sailing low tam taw maintain organizing board mina ngai lut na zala kalim naw hi chan chu hi in tin ke phat hi chan chu hi in tin tuin tuni ni khuwa phat pat na taw na ikin ti hau in lan do pi upa thin khulun hung din do pi win tin chule kandaga in pan piu sai pu nang ni hung din pi hon le chan phan te pun nang ding on lem na thu le ipan la na ho zala sailing low ahilo wa hele seiwal o mayong la ni ki ngai dam ni ke thiemu tin tuni ni khwa jong kilom ta mabana panhin ladingin organizing board langa konin team na sangta kai nei kini ka kipai
Kipaumin, welcome speech, Samkimta. Pune thanga kunin ngai hatawin abanahi speech neu cha cha. Thampat cham cha cha kan hondihin amasa penin SK Night Committee on Phat Laleo Kipaumin te.
Kipaumin pathin lungsin azala tuni ni kho som langa chan na final ni kho homang thai phat phai piwa pa pathin thangwan halang dunia kan phun do nom che hi le sun program hi ta in play hung ki cha in tin nilha tieng le SK musical night ding a hi ti pa he kain phun do nom hi in je chun nu la pa ulenaw nunga gol hang ahung tua hung ho zo se nilha tiang no la na hung ki dingwa na bon wa tep na kan ne he chule artist min thang ta ta มีเกตตะบังเกโกเห็นอมโหลสะอิงไงดิงโอเห็นลุงลูตาปันละดิงเละทนวมตาหงจาวโซเกดิงาดุนยาหงเกขอมีปีโฮโจเซนิลหาโปรแกรมมาดิงายังเต็บนักกันเนโอเฮกะเกไป
Abana dingin tuni ni ku pu let SK Saikam kip gen ama anu zong ye lawang thain ama in zong phat chom chakam anu metizin ama zong phat in pang mangi en pin katin happy
cái bà hè gì nghe hít ta bằng phát pha le pha nổi hi cái muốnจะตีกับลุงที่มาเนาะมโยตะปวนนี่ข้านี่นี่ช่วงเงินน่ะสตาเองหาชันนักกันได้เองนะเห็นละกี่หูลงดีตามกันตีหลังกันมุงอาคำเนี่ยเองไอ้วางเงินประเทศเนี่ยปันปีน่ะท้ายเป็นลุงเชนน่ะเองกับจงอาณาตรงนั้นดูเนี่ยในลายมนคนน่ะอุเลนาเฮียพี่อาไมกับมุกี้นี่นั่นเนี่ยกี่ป้าเบะเชยเงินเฮีกี่ป้าวางเงินละอิมาจาก็ช่วยดอกโยกุนเฮีอามาซานเวลากันเวลาไอ้โมกินโอเฮตกินโอเฮตข้างๆนี่ปากกายินนาบอลนาเนี้ยยองเล่นาโดนยองเล่นาบอลโยชิมเกมาโลปีน่ะอินบอลลุ่นตีทุบปีในวันเฮเฮียมีจะบังอาจูกระสุนไปเตะตูเนียนเต้นยองปากกาโลปีน่ะอินแถมคัดหน้ากระโตนมันเฮตูนี่ก็ตีนี่โคเฮนแววินปากกาถ้าเราเที่ยงเอากุมท่าอินอีเวลัวบอนจันชาลบะโชเกยนะฮีไอฮอนวายมูเทโปเวอามันบางไอหอยบอนตาวินไอมูโชเกยวินอีเมลูอาเยจูอาเชมชามีเฮมีเยวินอามันมูเชนนะฮีอีจูว่าก้อยโชเกยินเห็นอโลปีนะอีจูว่าอภงนะฮีเฮที่เยชวนดูน้องแม่วินอิละอุวะประกาศเยซูอดึงเงินเองฮิตเยชวนกุยยองเลวให้ช่วยไปเตะหอไอ้บอลจะเป็นประกาศลำตัวในอินดิงอุ้ยดินหาเลลุยตีถูกไม่ชามือเตะประกาศลำตัวในอินนั่งนี่เห็นช้ำมันนี่ช้ำปันคนนี้
มีปีโฮยบอลกันดิ่งจิวทีม
ฮาเลลูยาฮาเลลูยาฮาเลลูยาฮาเลลูยาฮาเลลูยาฮาเลลูยาปากายลูปีน่ะแกน่ะดังมาจากเชยที่ไกโปยปากายวินฮิตบังพัดพายปิว่าอีจันดิวหลอมโลเอจันชาวบ้าไอมูดิวหลอมโลเอมูสาวเฮแกมันแกดังก็สะเบเชยเงินอาทิฮอที่เห็นลังอามังมังโหมังตะยองแล้วอันมูสังอาโชปิอุเลนาวินให้จันกยาฮิจอยนั่นแหละจอยสังนะอันนี้ฮิเกมันกดังก็สบายเบ้เชยเงินเฮโยกัมจันดิงาเกลอมเฮโลอามูดิงาเกลอมเฮโลอามันยองอนามิตดิงาเฮนันอภัยเปดุงยูนา dunia chopi berne napte yo hen to diang tham diang tam pita anda ba ama ngai bolale ama thang ba na le ama cho ya na dinga ฮิตบางพาดพายเอาบอกเอามันเจ้อวยเหตุเกมันกับพวนดอกนมเฮเกณฑ์เสียเนื้อตั้มปีกับเฮปวนเฮประเทศนี้ไอ้วนปีที่ท้อวีอโลปีกับซาเบเซนเซดอกโลเรียงกันนมปนเฮเลยน้องดินากระท่าหน่อยโลเงินกระลุงกันหน่อยโลเฮกันเอาแต่หอกอุลนาวน้ำมาอยู่กับมุมละก็กิฟ้าบาลเบเซยิงเงินเฮเลยดินโลเรียงเซโลเรียงกันนมเซไม้ทุ่งบ่เว้ทุ่งไงทุ่งพายองก็เซโยโปยจันทุ่งเลี้ยงตาให้น้อง
Kipang me happy. Abana speech dingin phat chomcha mang dingin Anun FC manager aman jong phat hin thumji na ma jong phat kain pi ma aphat kila din ka kautai.
Amasan July muna tuni SK final wedding a hong ki khom mi pite hozo si na bon chavin kazana salam kahin piove and secondly tunia pu let pu sai kam in sumite hozo si hin chule working aloi le paya to khompi working committee hozo si zong thin minin avel velin kazana salam kahin bol ki de ka ki pa in chilaya 2022 38 teams la tuni Anun FC final ding thai dinga ka na ho hi mazau si pathin za la hin pathin panglau in mi nani ma cha hi pon tunin mi tampin question ai do le ai lo le mi tampi ki holim nup na chu what is the reason behind ANFC ti hi a hin fekas lin ta ga nei tup lin pi ga nei hin la ka to do masanga ka sei do thelo hin mainly in back achi sa ki sei le wang si ji in le sit mi him in in zinei wang si ji ti de hamin single life ti de ham ka loi pan 2019 chun aina dal hatan tu kumi SK ka din na hi kum thum na hi ta nei wangin last 2 years a chu ka loi pa mina ga na din na hin in la lo sam na ga na nei jing ji chun tu kum be wang bola ka bol wang la le la te ding ka gu ti he ka tin ka ki gu zinga ka changa ke mina dinga ka in guna ka in bol zinga hi in mi pi ho zau si ko ma ka sai num chu Anun FC ke ti Anun hi ke ma ga hi in chule ka tup le ka doi chu mi pin ka in khu achi sa a ipi ham ke holim nu na ai nei na ho a hi lo le mu si ring khu ka chan ho chu ni khat le platform khat be a wang nu mai hi zong leng Saint singer never give up ti ka chi pi bang hin phun do na nei te ding ti hi kana gu na hi zin tunin pathinin ka taw na ai lol hin pi in kanung ka mai se si ding mi za num zong le pathinin tu ni 2022 pu 15 let pu se ka memorial final ding nei koi ta zin din do lawa sei ding ka nok lo zi chun neu cha khat ka hin sei hin chule ke mai in in chi ka group ma hin an them kan ke bolin after kadin do zau ting le omega media anaveleu chun ANFC an them chu release ka bol pe ding a hi in is only live stage chunga ka bol thelo din ka chai le YouTube Anun FC an them chu mis pi zau sin aina vet pi wa subscribe in a bol pi chi ding bin nong kong tawin and lastly pu sai kam memorial tournament na working committee ho zau si zong na gun chu naw le na panla na zaluvin pathin minin na chungwa ke pathu ka in sain pathin in pu sai kam trophy tournament hi dam so sa jing halang ku ki tia ding in mabana sports entertainment langa kin pi jing hung i thai jing han ti ya chaina ka sain and lastly both the teams Ichai area and Anun FC wish you best of luck na pon chawin side in best of luck in bolove thanks for kai phat I chan chui tan de ka ki pa e
Kipang me Anun FC manager Anun phat man tam ta nong man sin na chunga ki pa thu kan se to in speech in remembrance of the departed soul and keynote address pu hemlal HOIKIM donor SK trophy มาพัดกันพิไต
ตุกุมกุมสมลังอาจันนะดำในปีประเทศกระทั่งไว้มีมาดิ่งทีละกันนะนี่โคตั้มพิมนงเละมีปีฮิยานินกุมสมน้อยอุทยวินก็คิดไปในประเทศกระทั่งไว้จุเละฮิจะโคตัวเราจะปูเล็ดกับหินอามาจงอาดินกิปาทูกับพงกินินขลมุนขชงานุเลปาติโฮจงอังกิปาทูกับพงินยุคละพอจงอังกิปาทูกับพงินอายุชีพีน้ำจุเละขชงมีนี่กิทูปิโลวาเละอามินไม่กะฮิดิงหินทุนิจนาขลมุนยุคละเละนุเลปาติโฮฮงชปุอินเฮตบังตัวสดในยี่วายสมลงอาจันนะกบฏเทจิวินอามาขชงมีเตียวจงอังกิปาทูกับพงินจุเละตุนยาเฮจีสมลงอาจันนะโตคอมปีลอยลำกายหัวเฮียนลังจาเดียลมตั้มตะลำกายหงยองเละลำมีมัลจิวินจานักปีอุปุนตัวนินฮิจิแพลตฟอร์มอากุรินนับวันจาวินกันไงลุนสลามกันปีวีจุบันเละฮิจิสปอร์ตฮีไงลุนเนราคิจิปีหินสุมละไปในยาคิจิปีปุนไงลุนเนราคิจิปีตินเฮดิวินกัตีมวินฮิจิสปอร์ตฮีกินอาคิพุนนดิ่งเละกิลุงไอมวนดิ่งฮิปุนฮิจิสปอร์ตนาฮีคุยตะบังสมนังอาจารย์นาลุงไอลูกขายมาอย่างเละบนหัวสู้ขีเลียนลังอะไรเละเลฟรีหัวสู้ขีเลียนลังขตูหัวสู้ขีเลียนลังคุยตะบังลุงไอลูกอิมขาวาเละทุกุมาสมนังอาจารย์นะไฟนัลฮิตกิลฮนินโดนัลกะฮินตกิลฮนินไงดำกับทูมินอีกไงดำโชคเกดิมยองไงดำกับทูมินเฮจุบันเละฮิจิโอเอปุเซกัมทุชิมฮีมีเดียหาตกิลฮนินฮิจิมีเดียต่อฮิตกิลฮนินคุยตะบังทุชิมเชยดิ่งมาอย่างเละก็เห็นลูกก็พันเดลว่ามีเดียเชยฮิโลเละกรุ๊ปดุงานิวส์ดุงาสกูรูดิองกับทีมกิโลวิลาเยจูฮิจิอาฮิเขียนคิลเดเทียรุเละกิลุงไอมอนเทียทูมเทียฮิเจนฮิจิอามาจุงตังทุยคุยอย่างเละอาเชยดิ่งากิโกเอโลมีเดียจีดิ่งน้ำมันอย่างเละเคยมาเห็นนั่นเละเคยมาพันเดลว่าสกูรูดิองกับทีมกินไลฟ์เน่จุบันเลยที่โอ้ยผู้ใช้คำสปอร์ตฮีอากุมสมลงอาจารย์ในฮิตกิลฮนินอาพาร์ฮีกูเลยได้ทำให้สูบุยตกิลฮนินฮิจะพาร์ฮีกุมท่ากิเป็นละพาร์ฮีกิจูนดิกหินอาพาร์วางฮีโตคอมปีลำกายหัวจังชีตกิเควินตินบุรุษจังชีตกิเควินตินอาพาร์ฮีฮงกิจูนดิฮิติตูนินกับพงดอกินอะไรเนี่ยฮิจะพาร์วางฮีฮิจินุขจันจีกับใช้เทปูนอาพาร์วางฮีตูพาร์ฮงฮิตะโลดิงกูเลยได้ต้องกิขันละพาร์ขันฮงกิชิมดิกหินฮิจะพาร์ตายองสิตูนิอาพาร์ติสเปตทีมหัวโยกเสียนลังไอโรเล่ยุคลบหัวกูฮิยองเละตรงไม้ใต้ได้ปันปีคิดยองกับทีมกินอะไรเป็นเฮสุวรรณเละตุนยาจีกุมสมนังอาจารย์นะไพรซีสร้างสมทุมานักกิปนาตุกุมสมนังอาจารย์ในลักขณะกาลหินฮิจิเคสไพรซี2023กุมสมนักุปจันนะป้ากูนาฮี first prize ลักขณะเกฮิดิงสุดท้าย second prize วางฮีสมสักยาดิ่งดันฮิตีตัวนี้มีพิฮลากระพงโดกินอะไรกันพงโดกินเน่ตัวบันกุมสมลกุบจะสมลกุบจันนากูนาฮีเคสไพรส์ลักขันละเกฮิดิงสแกนไพรส์สังสมสักยฮิดิงเฮฮิจิตุตัวหินตินตัวนี้หินฮิจิสปอร์ตอาหินก็คิดปานาเป็นตายเสียหลังตัวนี้จันหินปัจจินาหินอีกปัดว่ากูรินเตานะเอลัมไก่เปียวขุตัวลาหินหัวบุงออลเดอร์หัวบุงอาปัสหัวบุงอุปาออลเดอร์หัวอินเตาเนี่ยมันเปียวตะกิลนินตัวนี้จะนบุยนี่มาจามปูนอากินาเกพูนักิมปูนบุญหัวลุงคำนำปูนขุสุงากุนลุงคำนำปูนสุวรรณเละก็คิดปานาเป็นฮิจิสปอร์ตอาหินอากิสุบังอากัวจังมองเห็นกุยมามปูนแล้วก็คิดปานาลินเป็นขันหินฮิตบังปะทีนี้กิทูปีดาวฮีมีปีหอยสินกิปาทีไรลาดิงูฮิจิเกย์บอลทีนังบอลทีทีไรปูนฮิจุนักกิจิมหอยสินักเท่าโจรแล้วนั่นลุงห่างเลี้ยงเลยฮิจิสปอร์ตฮิไงลุงเนี่ยลักกิบอลฮิจีนักเยลโดจิงดิวเลยนั่นลุงหันเบะเชียงจับจะขัดเบะนักคงไงว่านุ่งอากิเชตชวนนั่นลุงดิ่งเลยนุ่งอาพัดดิ่งไปเกลไว้จีปีเปะบงไว้ตัวนุ่งตัวบ้านยองเลยจีปีเปะดิ่งกันทีมกินอะไรไปเนี่ยตัวนี้จีโอ้ยผู้เชี่ยวชาญสปอร์ตฮิไงลุงเนี่ยลักกิบอลฮิตกิโลนี่ตัวนี้จันหินอีกไงลุงตะมิติกมุยงหุ่งหอยสิจงกิปาทุกับพงอิน hi chun tu ni hi pi yong le hi chi price hi tu ni ading hin case price pen hi sapong cha yong don ke hin to ke honin ke man hi chi pi don ni ka ting hi chi ka pha chu ke man tu ni chai na tan te ala thei khat hung lang chalang a hin chỉ in tin tu in cái mine ball kill sei khil kan khai on ngai ngai dam win lang e sei khau pathin phathe bu in pi in tin ka sei num chan chu tan te ka ki pai
Hello, player ho line up din gunang officials ho ko na zong inspection ngum di hin na bon win players OC first 11 bo below di players OC line up ball win nang guess ho ko na inspection chi di inspection of di hin si player OC line up ball wala board hole VIP wa kuna inspection cheesing line football pe wedding ahung BP hon ahi thadinga lalung sit ta in chair ki do ho chu to bench ki do ho chu nei na tau dim pi diwa tim na hin ahin la hi chia tau na ding ho chung na ki man lam ki jing sa nom dio chu chair ana to wa le dang ka zakat na pi dingu 100 rupees ben sana tau ding wa le zo le aung dong ding ho ong phan le don zat na pi diu he tuni kichi veno mum ta hi final match si akichim ding Anun FC to Ichai Area Youth Development Association ahi in hichia kichim ding player hi Emila aphau ta tam ta panna hi in kichim hon zong bunglut ta game spirit nei ta kichima ave hon zong thanum ta anavedi chedingin ikitim vin hi photo session nung kichain tin chizo ting la chun player hon warm up 15 minutes ho tabang warm up ki pha dong ki pi in tin chizo ting chule kick off match final match ru ki pat ding hetai
Hello. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are here for 15th HOIKIM Memorial Open Football Tournament 2022. This is your commentator, Mount Title. Welcome back to the beautiful Holman ground. Today we are really happy to see the two finalists. Big congratulations, Arun FC, Arun Memorial team and Ichai team from Kangpokpi. It's gonna be a class of 2 district. This is gonna be a real acid test. Let's see who will be reigning here. Will SK tournament go down to Kangpokpi or will it be back here with Arun FC? That's a big question, $1 million question to us. That will be answered within few minutes. Here's a very quick run through of all the player lists. Tuna kimoling te hile Arun FC te le Ichai te hiwa. Enop hoi mama di nga hiya tuin hi Arun FC te hi a starting lineup kang sim di nga hi. Number 1 goalkeeper di nga hile Jason hiya ama hile goalkeeper ikama di nga goalkeeper min thang ta hiya tunin hi second choice goalkeeper nei si wa JDD ama hile I League duty dia ko na hiya. Striker di nga hile Lal Siam Changloi hiya. Jersey number 26 ahing hiding ay to abana Robin forwarding hiding 25 to achen hi Bobby Lalcha ama hi jersey number 2 hiding Lalwang Gogo jersey number 10 Joseph Jangpu jersey number 6 Seineu Kuki Ngulian jersey number 24 Kam Sanglian midfielder jersey number 19 Sesiem Go Siem midfielder ding ya ama hi jersey number 28 hiding Jefferson ahile defender jersey number 17 hiding Bobby Lalcha khat bisim jota to abana Khammin Thang LSC jersey number 7 ang hidinga to abana Golal jersey number 10 Lun Min Thang jersey number 3 Haulai ama hile jersey number 14 hitting up Pao Chung the defender jersey number 27. Boylen jersey number 5 hitting up Hagontang jersey number 11 hitting up Seipu jersey number 15 hitting up. Team captain hile Lalcha hiya manager hile Three Sang hi. Anun FC team te a supporter de na while cut vein all ging de ki ko ve wole na team te su purna ding. Thank you. Alelam. Hello. Alelama. Hello. Alelama IAYDA chai te hi khatve player list kang simdinga jersey number 1 hile Thangmin Len NYC akimol hiya jersey number 24 hile Ngam Golal GSYC hiya Lentin Sei YDO akimol jersey number 4 hiya Lam Sang Len SYC 23 jersey number 23 Mangolal SYC jersey number 5 Thangolen SYC jersey number 14 Hego RAU jersey number 7 Hemrenga YPHU jersey number 10 Tango John NYC jersey number 17 Hemne Chung Alvin NYC jersey number 19 Marlen Thang Neroka jersey number 9 Seigo Hao SYC jersey number 11 Lun Go John NYC jersey number 12 Pao Thelal SYC jersey number 22 Chung Khosiam SYC jersey number 3 Khai Go Mang NYC jersey number 6 Thang Tin Len SYC jersey number 20 Lun Zakai Aim jersey number 21 Hub Sang Len Classic jersey number 15 Mang Min Ngam SYC Seigo Hao jersey number 18 Let Golal SYC jersey number 16 Chon Min Len IYC jersey number 13 Lun Min Hao SYC jersey number 30 Thang Tin Len SYC jersey number 8 hitting up to the team captain hile Helun here manager let coach hile Helun thola he abe ko toi tami kai no lai mo on and off here ball comment bằng chia lệ This is the first time I'm doing live commentary on TV. This is going to be quite exciting. If you are watching this live, there will be a little bit of delay in the timing of the action and also the live. So you need to understand. Action to time hi them kan ki khedeu ding here tu na match end to te zo sia na tu ki pa tu kang ge na khol mun aum thelo khovel mun tom to ma en te zo sia na na mun cher wa par ni khat ve hai cher len comment section and comment te zo kan engine a ta je ni tu ni match sing nok ma ding hi team pink color te hi le Anand FC te hi wa ma hi le tu tum tournament a hi semi-final UKB te zong zo wa Ichai FC te yong 2-0 na so hi na le tu ni hi Messi daring to mama ding hi abang ji ani hi chi ai le Anand FC te starting lineup mi sagi ta hi ai le kimol din hi port khewa to ji ani tam mi starting lineup ang kimol chen hi Ichai lam te adin hi psychological advantage de chi bang hi do thema wa hi match ki pan nai lo hi player te warm up tawa organizer lam te parin thuki pa hoi ma khat hi le bang hi chile kum kya chi ni tam ni sei kam tournament hi a match money hi khang to ding hi 1,50,000 dia second prize mai 170,000 ngi ding a hi tami sei kam memorial football tournament hi kum som lenga kimol a som lenga edition na hi ta igam sunga ding a tournament um ting lai consistent pen te la khat hi a khang lai tam pi adin tam mi platform le a chan soi ta he akal culture English commentary kang bol le tha do jong bol le to chin hi culture hi chi mui na jong ngum jel li ha la chuing salo sam ding ka hi to je ni nom namun chin an enjoy len tu la hi smartphone ta tam live streaming bol pi HOIKIM media te to ki pa thoi gen wa fu lo mai thei hi wa thei top ki so ya a background edward hele da chen ka camera kang tan ding wa how much we are struggling here you got to know as well. But the teams are looking confident after storming to the final. Among the many teams, this is gonna be a real exciting one. I would like to quickly read out some of the statistics. Yeah, so far in this tournament, 38 total teams. 38 teams are playing and 12 groups of 3 clubs in each group. So the semi-final has been run with League Robin round. Let me read out some of the players who has scored hat-tricks. Seimin Thang, UKB, Danny Boy, MSYC, Ledmin Cup, MSYC, Marlon Thang, IAYDA, Ledmin Cup, MSYC, Thang Million, UKB. Top scorers, Temin Kang Sim Kadihi. Here are the list of players who are the top scorers so far in the tournament. Seimin Thang, UKB, 7 goals. Marlon Thang, IAYDA, 7 goals. Ledmin Cup MSYC 6 goals and Danny Boy MSYC 5 goals. These are the statistics that you would like to know as a football fan watching across the different parts of India or across the world. We are live and it's a beautiful evening. Sorry, boy. Yeah, there are some interruption. I can see some of you guys are doing a great job in commentary. Thang boy, by the mang title nang nom pole tiljo si chikim tai. Thank you for the commentary. This is the first time I'm trying, so it will be a little bit of challenge for me. But let's hope and we'll be learning. Match pankon mama hita it's AFC lamte hi confident mama mai wa mau hi specialized na bang hi chile amau hi it's AFC te hi comebacking sa hi wa tu tournament every time they're golden they can make a comeback, so it wouldn't be a surprise to see them coming back as well. Chi jong chi ham ani chi na Mane Kim Gang Tae, I'm signing out for you. I hope and you will be watching till the end of this match. So those of you who are watching live on YouTube from HOIKIM Media, please kindly make a prediction. If anyone is making the right prediction, we are going to give you a prize. So send us the scoreline. At the end of the match, we are going to pick one lucky person who made the right prediction. So let's hope and pray that this would be going live till the end of the match without any interruption. But this is Manipur. Sometimes there can be current cut off, and we are having lots of technical challenges because this is not something this is something very new for us. So with the coming of media age, we are hoping and praying that we'll be doing much better. Thank you for taking your time to be here, watching the screen wherever you are, Bangalore, Delhi, Kolkata, Manipur, Chanpur, Singtang, Don, Hin, Hoi Lai, Zong, Le, Ho, Zos, in the Chunki Pat, who can say in comment section, like interaction, Ziotin. None had team the Okade Katsu, he let live Chilaya live action to him, TV, he a voice in had different timing difference. The second is Arham had goal can tell him on a golden moon, Nilo might take away. Okay. Zero he in Zogam Pankale bin the ball 2-1 he in Sarmak title Ronaldo Messi fans Chioki say is only subscribe non ball in Zoe Gogo how Kevin 2-1 at he in. Okay, prediction ball no live at the end of the match we are going to give away some cash some award to each one of you. tel ngo ma mi len HK media ma chal jing hen tin thank you so much to hi coach stay ni hin touchline hi technical line hi hoi ta instruction appear hin chi match chi Vietnam hum ma di hi in final kiti chu lamka dinga churchan pursunga dia hi calendar event la thupi pen khada hin Christmas thupi in howin zo sa ki mang hin hi wang chu second final ti tele chun mizo si hi all road leads to kholmuna hi zain chi tu kuma last kholmuna ki chep jong mi mai thei tai tin mong jang a jong ground hoi ta min chalai chung ki sif di ham ki sif lo diam wang se the hi pon hi wang cash prize ki announce dan wang chu ground lin jet capacity nei aban le ticket la theina hi poi mo mai thei di hin tu ni a crowd ho hi YouTube la ve hon namu thei lo di hun pensioner ho upata ta ho jong tampi ki mo in tu lai ta sur chan puri khol mun lam jo si traffic jam hi tan silaya hi football match ki chapte le pung ka thum ta bang hi traffic jam hi to jo hi sit jo si hi dim so ke hi ta in tu chung hi ichai AFC te district kangpok pia ko na final hunglu du chi pawm tho na hi wa sur chan pur football history ve teng le hin UKB te banga fan sa lo hin tu chung ai UKB to jong final lut le wang chu crowd sang tam che din ai wang chu final chung nop thodia gin cha hi in kang pok pio hom football team jo hi la churchan pur hoti hi big question hi in chia vet nop na ding khat hi YouTube la comment in ball ho chu na chung ki pa thu kan se in 2070 ho prediction ball na min no ho chu tel ngo mau milal how keep HK media ma charging and donation ha super chui pia ngo mau milal how keep YouTube lang ako na super chat donation and ball jin chung ki pa thu kan se in chi ame pi mandi ta midang ball no wai le thol khat thol ni khumu zamba ke le team te ko ball thei hin na ki pau min prediction ball ji tin tu chunga SK tournament sponsor hi le zogam bekang hin ngari ho jong hi top scorer ngari sponsor in cheo chu ton nai na ka ka ton na hong zau ji hin cheo chu nai se po tin mo amet bo se camera chu du sam lo mai the hi wa chu in langa SK ngai na ja an ve ham na diu ka gin chai in Tunia eki thopi robot mi RB media robot in drone and to do in HOIKIM media in camera le avan nei zo si holman ground an to do jin chung ki pa thui se na he match ki pan wadi ta in nanga ham lang khatwei to statistics kan sim ki di he tu ching ni penalty som au min miss ni a hin goal gang pen chu koite khum ha mi ti ale happy fit te na khumin chu on goal a hin la e minute khada khum he most goals ile anun FC le UKB ten khum tam pen win 16 goals sung khum win biggest one kick zone margin len pen chu 8-0 a he most common score line match la score line tam pen chu pi ham ti le 1-0 ki zo hi tam ma main match som jen 1-0 in ki zo hi team failed to score a single goals tournament pumpia goal khat cha jong khum zo lo team ni koi ham ti ale team izar ham ti le team li yaumin chi ja hi chi tournament hi tight ma ti ni vet sana hin match ki draw chu izar ham ti ale match sagi a he past winners of HOIKIM Memorial history gang ta khat ve ve ki rutin HOIKIM Memorial na champion 2008 akona hung ki pana hi ta in MMT te champion in 2009 goal ngai lom te hi win 2010 SDMT te hi win 2011 M Songil YC te hi in 2012 Mobile FC te hi win 2013 BI Zalon YC hi in 2014 M Songil YC te hi 2016 UKB te hi win 2017 Konsam FC hi in 2018 FC Zalena hi in 2019 Gangnam Soccer Club te hi win 2021 to Simropia FC amao to tu chana mudana chu consecutive ni ve nal theum sun club hile kilomin inale tu chunga hi anun FC ten UKB ten Simropia te koi jota statistic he kita hin sorry Simropia te chu semi final da na kai jo to poe ti te na safe fe ding ne aka kala hin comment jong ka sim ji hin football ka vet masai comment kan sim ji hin Delhi akonan ve go song that tong sing ton sing tu pa ki pau min okay wish IAYDA win thì họ dòng min Delhi áo mi là hoi lai mi là dòng churchan pour team support loi hi la kang pok pila hon kang pok bi support in chi football an na hi in thank you for taking the time to watch to hi live streaming ve hi tu le tu hi football ground holmuna ve hi le lakni tabang hin ticket zo se sola da hin tu hi police station control zo lo hin chi broadcast ki ball na hi le Burma channel chom Bangladesh Pakistan la jang na sata mi na ve hin tu le tu 2020 cricket final sa zo mi na ngai lu jor he chu ke ngai dan mai ho ton ka se hen la series ka in na te holmun chu a background of it the wai le every single spaces is occupied hi jeng in YouTube ave hi le 1.3k mi sang khat le zathum na ve win ki pau min chi le to drone na mu chu hi le holmun ground hin robot RB media le pilot hin drone chu ko nga hung khel la khai le offense te chu nga hung lumai the he match ki pandia ready hi ta in team te ni hi ready hi ta win a few seconds sound ki pande tai chai FC te chun anun FC te chu semi final hi league round team thum ki chema hin UKB to ki draw win anun FC te chu 2-0 na le win a hi wa tu ni chu match sung cho mama de agin chan hin PGM tile anun FC te player hoi sagi hi ai li ki chema chi a he play sang compare pa ngai nom joy ti nei kho si nei se pi ki pau me zo le hung ki pa wal be se le la kan mo sa mai thein to hi play ki pat nai lo je interaction chom khari ball the hin hoi lai kon nan ve hom khat ve please kindly nan ve now to comment section akon in say land comment hi tam wal be se jin bon chan ki simman por random kan pick up gd hin chi anop na hin nila te le say kam nai da di ga hino dedication ala kan handi ni pipilan de hum khat ve nala dei ho chu jong say le na ban theng le say kam musical night jong hi chlai kon live di in ai ba commentary chu lo di hin jan tel ke kon anchor di ka hin la han lan no mai le asum ton thalo chen chlai krap son kan ball thei chu well ladies and gentlemen the two teams are ready to play the grand finale here. It's gonna be a real exciting one. The crowds are clapping. Fortunately, those of you who are watching from outside, you can hear my voice, but the people in the ground, no one is hearing my voice. This is also a blessing for me because I want to try sometime on TV. This is one of the first job I've been doing as a commentator, live streaming. Lo mai the timing ki to lo mai the no vet ke vet angle hung ki bang lo mai the chu ESPN Vedana hi le World Cup English Premier League Vedana na kingai to kha wai le chu thailo di hin World Cup te budget le camera chu min sang camera mai jang som li som nga zau hin ai ho camera thum le li ki jang chu World Cup ta banga expect di wa chu thei hin tin chu ja chu na het them di hin tin a budget jang chu World Cup te ave jong kinam khanai lo hi ai ma chu local media jong promotion na sata ki ball go hin chi ja hi to chung live broadcasting ball pe HOIKIM media te chung ki pa thui sei na he tu zana la de landing hang ho chu awa chun rock ding ti hangin half long akon ki simman pon wang kho zol ti yong aumin aban te le ke imfala kona khol muna kona Thailand kona vejong na umin phan phanai don Thailand pau e chu di am di lo ke pon na khap kham lai ke gothola kona veum Dubai apat okay adang la hoila Haryana okay comment section hi active valbes in response bona ki ball man lo di hin to a match referee sarmung a hi na ma hi ong thlai ta gan ki thingji hin referee sarmung hi wow what a beautiful scene. This is the aerial view of Coleman Crown. You can see the fans fully packed there. This is really gonna be exciting. We are just waiting for the big moment to start. The players are taking their position now. You can see as it is on the screen. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the big moment we have been waiting for. 32 teams vying for the top spot, and it's the two teams who are worthy of playing the final. This is Mount Title live commentary from Holman Ground. Thank you for watching across different parts. This HOIKIM tournament is sponsored by Alalen Joshua Motors. They have been consistently sponsoring it. Yeah, sometimes we wish we can show you the crowd. There are so many beautiful ladies, gentlemen. Yes, the referee blows the whistle. Ichai, the team in blow, getting the. That's a very quick interception by Lalsiam. That is Lalcha. He is playing in one of the team in. YouTube ana vet while match so slow ground bouncing home di bangina hi wa amuna hong veta ta lo chen chi hon war kap la thei dit banga ki chem tho he. The winger trying to pull across but block away. This is the first corner kick. Will they have an early goal? Goal an kum pe di vam chi corner am pe win. Robinson ham pe ding chu. Kêu no to banga screen ka ve dai tayo boy ke he. Oh, that's coming close. That's Lalsiam Chongloi, the man who is the Ichai really need to be wary of this man. He has some magic. Year after year, he has been performing consistently in this ground. He is a top player when it comes to local football here in Churachandpur. He has just come back from playing different tournaments across different states in India. Ichai AFC in control, giving a pass. No one to collect the ball there. Yo jong chilai commentary ka ball wang chu ball in kha ai le ka camera zo siêu ka computer zo siêu crash din. Ball in ei kha lo ne taw nai na man pi lo chun phan te vi hon yo na. Anun FC starting from the back. That's Lalcha, the captain. Beautiful passing to Robinson. Robinson looking for. He is one of the most skillful. That's beautiful. Number 25, Robinson looking confident, still going strong inside the box. That's a cool passing. Lalcha trying to find a space to cross it. Still struggling. A quick recovery from number 17. He is overlapping, but Robinson changed the flank. Number 28, getting the ball, passing to number 3. To number 28 in ball tang kia, passing option and analta in hem here. Robinson control ball so maile ball hat seng kha he. Lamka khopi le imite hi nop nama ma khat ile misok si ham ki thei wa hinal leng ki khen the hi poi chi la sa sa le ha khen ki khen wa tam te hi top san diu ya. Misok sen ham jo se ki thei ana ga te hi ei to ki bang hi si wa. Ham khal ki thei to si wa na le sang hi ki to ma ma hi to a ja hi. Lamka khopi mi pi zo se pui khom thei even lian pen hi le chawang ku ri chi chen kum som ni le thum zo khat ve lamka in tung kya pan ya tami sei kam hi le khom pi poi mo ma ya sports lovers te adian hi tu ne hi attendance ki kilading ya. Oh, that's a beautiful crossing. Ichai AFC with the first strike. Oh, what a save from the defender. Amazing game. And no way lang in khat ve to attack chawa tami. This is gonna be nail biting. May the best team win. That's what we all wish. Comment section lama khat ve ball out kali ni ko ye zoding khat ve to prediction ball jelen len. That's the goal. Ichai AFC. These teams are really amazing. They are conquering Churachandpur. Will this be good enough to take the trophy home to Kangpokpi? That's a big question. This is quite a surprise. I've been telling you from the beginning. Anun FC has won against this Ichai in the semi-final 2-0, but I've told you this is going to be a different avatar because 7 of their starting lineup are missing playing for I-League. This is going to be a psychological blow for Anun FC. Let's watch and see how this Ichai team is playing. I've been a coach in this HOIKIM tournament this year. I was the coach of Golngai FC. From the first match, I make a prediction that this Ichai team has something special about the way how they are played. This is one thing I like about the football in Kangpokpi. They have intensity. They are very gritty in their match, but you cannot just ride off Arun FC. This is Lalcha getting the ball, looking for a pass. That's beautiful throw ball coming in. 28 controlling the ball. Can he pull in the cross here? That's not good enough. That's not a big test. The strikers fell let down, but it's not as easy as you're watching from outside. Well, the scoreline, if you're just joining, is 1-0. It's the team in blue, the visiting team conquering Lamka. Thank you for tuning into YouTube. We are reaching the number 1.7K watching. That's a big number. Just to know that this is people watching from different parts of India and across the... That's beautiful 1-2 passing. Well controlled, looking for a passing option. Oh, he is trying to... That's a good cross. Oh, what a finishing. I just can't believe what a combination. I've told you, you can't just write off this Arun FC. Amazing teamwork. Let me check out who is the goal scorer. It's a little bit far from here for me to see as well. Jersey number. Great teamwork. Jersey number 10 from Arun FC scoring the goal, the equalizer. That's Lalvang Gogo. Now Ichai are trying to make a comeback. That's a beautiful through ball. Oh, the bouncing of the ball looks dangerous. Nuam tozel no mazel. Arun FC lam ten jong golang khum tawa to azene confidence in bilap mama da gintar here. Lalcha Robinson in ball tanga. Passing now Tapia, Lalsiam Changloin. Oh, what a beautiful turning. That's between the gap through so my the through kafu thelo. Lalchan Robinson ka ball pe kya tampa hi la Churchanpur ball ki mola skillful pentela khara here. Number 19 ball Tapia. Wow, that's impressive. Oh, that's a great turning. Can he pull the cross again? There's no striker. Inside defenders are... That's a shot, but not good enough. YouTube lang ente hi. Amuna, that's number 19. Ichai will win by 1 goal. Nachinalai Lori Yagami. It's already 1-1. Okay. The prediction tamjo dilo kya hita ato jene prediction ball kya thina la here. Let's get ourselves engaged here. Just watching football is not so much fun. Akal chao chiamui na to now kan ball ji na iba koi manja da lo ding. Chabel ho kidop sa lo di he. One is the scoreline here at Coleman. It's still not yet even 30 minutes into the game. This is the battle of two equals. The team in blue is Ichai and the team in pink color is Arun FC. Just to get back into the history, Ichai FC has lost 2-0 against this team. But today it's going to be very different. That's a beautiful cross coming in. No striker to collect the ball. The defender clearing the ball. Arun FC, Robinson getting the ball. That's very clever passing. Lalsiam trying to make his pass. That's beautiful passing on the right flank. Cross coming in, but too far away for the striker to collect the ball. Tule tua Coleman Grana mipi zar hile lamka mipi zakala 70% umai ta tua jeni vangu tia dia ito lai ta chan soi mama ya igam sunga hin main event traffic su boy khop mipi ki khop khom na hi atam khol sia second final hi chen hi traffic hi da kalni bang sam zowa Martyrs Trophy sai ko ki ball ni da kal thum bang ni ta da ngale ki ma football match be pen hi da ki ra in tung loi zong oma tami sei kama zong hin traffic pack tama ma ya camera maintain tan thele chu to na in tung la to te bang hi ing chim thei dinga oma ya to ho hi bang ma life insurance sum lo wa hi le koi man organizer ten mo palo ni it's AFC lam ten hi free kick khat ang amu wa na le gam na sim dewa goal la pa in hi nal tai nang pe ai AFC te striker pa number 9 hi oh Jason here goalkeeper ama hi le tami ground final tampi ve ki ball kha hi ta to ajin hi he has got a mentality and he knows what does it take to play the final. It's a very different thing when it comes to final. You need to have the nerve, you need to be able to feel the pressure. That's why footballers said it's because of these are the reason why we live to play such big match. Team som thum le ni te la hin final kai nom chu tam ma din ai wa chu sarkar na ho ki cho the wa final kai di wang chu suma mo cho the hi pon chla hi ja ya thiam pen ho kai hin thiam pen ho kai lo zong jin daw thu zong hi tho in football zong hi ai wa phat cha daw mo nei nei the lo hin na thep ma sat ban ai daw poi mo hin aka ka le phal bilai hi ja kan po lo hung po that thei ji hin ka camera hi ki off thelo hi ja hi na ne head thim diu he o match aslo deu chen hi tom khat ve ve ya commentary te kang sim jelinga hon bil pu na o ngai vale chi jelwa mang good commentator vel chiwa igule gulom lo singum lo na gua ki jang chi thui ven igule gulo hi thei dan ni jong om tuan sia. Thank you one and all for watching. This is live match. Oh, this is IFC outside the box trying to pull the cross but not up to expectation. In favor crowd. Tu nei football final a hi mi pi tam wal be sia rule khat bom hin mi pi la ve san lo di hin chilai san kai la chu ui wal be po nang la lo force a kinam di hin chi chu head din number 19 passing ball to number 26 28 ko passing ball number 3 that's a beautiful oh he is running past 3 defenders now number 19 that's Lalcha looking for a passing Robinson trying to mesmerize here. That's a beautiful cross coming. Oh, he missed it with a fixed second. That was it just inside the box. The crowd are going frenzy here. Tamile drone view here about RB Media in Topi here. Tuna Tami live match ball, match live telecast ball here. HOIKIM Media here. Tamba igam sung sports promote hin dinga panlan tu ki pa thui gen a he. Segam tournament hi som linga zen ta ki mola hi ta igam sunga dinga tournament umzo sela consistent pe na hin tournament tam ta hi alak laga organize sum hi wa kum se organize ki ti hi mo bai lo hi in a prize oh Robinson that's a little bit too heavy offside na lai le kilo me Chawang ku review khat ve ball tin chawang ku da kham se wal be sia pung som le nang tho ground a mium ho chu vet a piece ground a chu midfielder na tam na ve nga ti tabanga hi zo kal aka te na hin ngur live from Scheme. Wow, ngur great to have you here. Ngur Mang fans, thank you ngur. Would like to visit Scheme one day. Let's try to meet, huh? Okay, thank you. Free kick di hin. It's IFC ten free kick pe di hin center line zo lung zo po in. Pe fu khol lo ile kilo ma. Number 24 controlling the ball. Both the two teams are very cautious with the approach of the game. It's IFC number 9. I just love this guy, but two midfielders are taking Robinson, the man with skill. He is looking very confident. They are very highly experienced player when it comes to playing SACAM tournament here. That's beautiful move. What a beautiful back flick. That's a quick passing. This the kind of game they need to play. That's number 3. Long cross coming in. Robinson all free. Can he take a shot? He miscontrol it again. That's costly mistake. Such a beautiful chance would hardly come. It's IFC intercepting the ball, trying to give him long ball, but the defender clearing. If you're just joining, the scoreline is 1-1. The referee stopped the game. Iloi paliam ka kayon jun kathange chom khat an text wana.
kanin nang level chu khabe hoi dun ki tha set tu na ban exposure chu khadang to ada lu ta close on close
Amile commercial break. It's IFC 10. Chance ita kanewa goal kasamana. Commentary ti wang jun mo tha thailo nei sa khala so ten ai le tha te ngai hin na. Sei kam ground chu jun na tha le hangla na tha di sala nunga hot tamatam cement bang khat chau ki ka oma hin. Chi jong hi boyum na khat hin. The match is resuming now. This is 1-1. It's battle of two equal. Tule tutan in here match and of hoi mama mai a team teni keep bait he mama boy striker poly defender deng to wa lal sign ball clearance ball kita here. Tuna referee le sar monga hiya ma hi le chor chanpur referee tela hi experience nei mama ya lam ka copy sung kang po pi mi tela referee chi jong silbai hi sia thu jong tama tam hi tai lang chu sei ka ma chu koi man thu ngam sin event tala chu mun siang tho ya replay kan ball ji du he replay ball ji a feedback pe ji le na commentary comment full thei ton che yong sum lo hi cha ngari man di be khalani ki lo ya mang tai sun comment fu chi to bang tan ki te wa da ching ki po sa khawaw chi e be hi la pat jong en mo haw lian ko Cars nga ki vehe mang wow HP HOIKIM Mr. Non chun umang live ka venan data ki chai tan e chu PM kisan lu tele kan kablu di ho to hi PM kisan lu lo ajob kala hi ti boy jeng jung ti ja hi kap theinai lo hin kum ki le data ki chai kha le chu kap thein da noi bol de he Icha FC number 10 in ball tanga to chin passing a bola Icha FC te midfield in bilapang ball sawa true. Oh, that's beautiful passing. Can they find the creative pass here? Oh, that's great defending from Anun FC, jersey number 8. Pakuma zong kavuat in pakuma chu niulam kala drag edik ho vikola molto hailele mai then tu na ke ko khalo he nilatin le jun kan tep de o tla SK music night adinga. Comment section SK final ana vekha hilol SK kam football ana vekha ho chun na memory so jong neu kha kan share jiwo Steve says HOIKIM SK final muna ve mitam wal grand pama live zo veddi mei lam ka khopi sunga jong hi offense tam wal be sa ground hi mi live ave tam zo hi ta in ban tele pung baro chana honglo ho de hi traffic hi na sta tai de hin chi ja hi igam sungai big event host na ding hi mun ha sama ma ta in chawang ku da jong hi traffic na sata boy hi in ke se ilawa big match ten hin marta ne ka sei ta in pung ge le ke chan lang hi cycle ground hi traffic jam hi Anun FC te lal chain freaking an pe di hin sun reflection na lang hi zen goalkeeper te adin hi neu khat pilwan ngain tin si hi free kick pelam ho dia hi advantage soita ongi didana here. That's a beautiful free kick. The keeper coming out of his position. There is no striker to collect the passing. Hibang tournament pita ground vile grass ang po ti hin grass po sa hi gam sunga hi ground hi police sipai ho ta mga tournament bo ki chep sa point all season ay ki team sa hi jai grass po sa hi ha samama hin everything is too good score line take the fence the commentator the sound wala dia best liam lal ko how keep sum kan ai tel bong sa kan cho pe di he oh thank you to let in his score line if you are just joining in score line is 1-1 amet si tempo slow jep tin ka ka le stand up comedy ti di ham voice comedy ti di ham na ong ki ball ji hin sipai pa khat in zong hopi so no mei ho hi achawai win thinglanga ki lale virgin ding dan hoi ding tin thinglanga kon aji ki puin mamba ya puile red area la chi khan ipi ball ham til aki zo he tin ipi ama zo hoi ta sei pila okay wala thingla afria ka mo pi pi henti dam te le football to mix gel ding ya to ja he commentary ball chen hi to komin hi audience te za ding ni ki ball sia to komin hi YouTube an te ading chawa ki ball he ta jen hi YouTube lang an te hi nop na sa zot mai theo ya chu tan in hi nop to gel ma ma ya final coin lading na ging tao le ki mol dan bang chino mai ta chen hi feedback jong te gel lo chen hoi vai o para goal Anun FC para goal kuma sa pen ni
don't introduce me please
khat be sei tong TV commentary vetang chilai na minan het thena dingwa oh namin pi hami hoilai na ham
ke thang boy al king jang lai mata king jang
thang chi Anun goal score ma sa pen kana pe dina
first goal tu la kan lap lo tai na tu a goal khum ma sa pen
okay Anun ho bo na Anun ho khum talo le commentator pa di ham na an khum dio chun thank you thank you
kasapon hi
na pa wal chula commentary kan sa dinai so oh that's clear chance they have wasted another chance Anun FC fans ten hi tam not sil pon khat nei wa goal khum mas pen hi dangka zanga ki peding hi momon hau kip chune mile kai phal turf ground ka sep dia tia mon nang kai phal sep di kem kai phal ka sep dia problem chu ni ai kai lo di he na kai hon ho sep lo di match nop to ma ya kala hi diversion khazeu zeu ai na le khawasi a tamte hi match nop na hi ma ya jersey number 4 IAYDA in ball drilling bola midfielder pa Anun FC ground up passing hi umjene lo passing hi le kiloma hi a crowd chumi pi YouTube ave ho chun na velo chun crowd chu hiti hin chi hi le drone view a hi in san namu chu south lang a hi in community hall a hi in ale langa robot tana bas tunga teong khat ve ve su lang zel ve mo kamla seng mo ami bas tunga to te fence ten na mu kha wai le kiat kha wai le life insurance nei lo wai le ambulance jong tai thei lo ding hiya amba mi pi tam vaya hi bas tung la to na tang zo lo te no YouTube anet kha free anet kha ham pa von hi wa ra jen hi HOIKIM media to ki pa thun na gen deu hi robara hiya to drone ang la pi RB media ma hi tun yang ki thua pi ya HOIKIM FC HOIKIM media te da sorry FC ngena pe kha do aning la tuan tuan jong la zelo robot fence ten a field ten ni ta yum na lang jong interesting di ve mo wow what a scene this is the scene of Lamka football you are just missing a big thing that's why I'm telling this is Lamka football final chai compilion pen hi ka china ji tam mi hi en ve wa mi ta za pi lo te na ngonoi sui le hi ta la all roads leads to Kholmun ning kuma mi thada teng Kholmun ki khom ka chilang viral koi lai jan tu kuma teong viral kan di ma za hoi thoi na le jang khat ve mi pi entertain ni chen hi chiamu hi ki break fail ka thei zela ya Anun FC lamten bola tangwa but commentary box drawn in lay again se seng de khat veng la ve le fence ten mu thei ding again se di ai boy dem a commentary box lampanga he technical oh here is Anun FC can he finish it he has take a shot god deo amoza them khat ui de hi vai mo a coach spawn half cha pol ka moza ka sob khasi ai sar chmai thei di mo Not to zel to say come final one lakh prize to you Anun FC ten clear chance ni nei tawa hello ichai lam ten Anun FC te last 20 minutes vela bet join na pangwa alel zodani na umwa Robinson ball control altan ball goal shot sang khade hile kilome kang po pilam ho ka commentary na ngai wai le ka pau hi na head bell odin chi pau jil na jo himbai tin thank you aka le zok zat zari ball diu hi na nop thein ni nga cho chu lo han na la lo di he IAYDA FC midfielder through ball nal tang pia winger pan ball atai pia crossing ball control ball bouncing number 17 pass fu khalo lal sign ball collect a bola tu na mi sangkhat zakua ta in YouTube anang page na tunga ki pa tu kang gen IAYDA lam ten hi tu le tu in hi ne so hi le kilomwa hi chbanga ki mol to zel wai le Rose dongel IAYDA te number 6 pa number na de ham ola kan PDO tu le tu ai commentary ka boy wali zo le ke jong nan call theo jersey number 23 IAYDA FC ten ball tangwa hinal anun lamna attack ball som kyawa 4v4 hile kilama crossing now tangkai finish stadium number 9 heading a ball and alas do to some bangin contact anay kasi he CS Media Chon Singson commentator palai dialogue ngai nom ja live coverage en bowetin nupi tam tai jong ngai nom ji hinai wa tu chunga hi chilai TV bo ki pedo hin aka ka tene tot bol tene jun che jong TV na sei hap malu hawang ka hepon ei dialogue ho chi ma chai poi ne wa dialogue master ta ta chu hi le pastor sol ala hin oh hoi referee mungin van lang ko jen in whistle blow a referee mung hoi tang tai ta ta chai lei ki thing bo re ya a fall down khat vei to replay nen kya dingwa free kick danger ta outside the box tam mi hi capitalized the way kang pok pilam te ham ki mo tul le la da che lung tha khamai the ma se chi wang hi nai dan hi mo gol the kang pok pilam te lam pi do ai le thang sa te in hoi la ham chi la ya ko na si da na chi le si da straight in chi dang Okay, number 7. He is stepping up the plate. This is a big expectation. This is the drone footage from Robot now. That's a free kick. Oh, that's Jason to the rescue. Whoa. That's a great dive from Jason. That's a very crucial save. Tu kong miss kunui ki ko man talo dan he. Umang title commentator palim jong in live khong ai ta wa toi action gang wala chilai la lim la na phari lo make up jong ki ball nai lo zo le out le half time le han ball hi it's IFCs are trashing attack after attack. They are throwing everything, but this could be exciting counter attack. Lalsiam Chongloi giving all his energy. Oh yes, got the ball. Can they make something out of this? He's passing to Robinson but could not reach there. It's IFCs are gaining their confidence. They are getting better and better every single match. Will they be able to do justice here in the final? That's the big question. Tu ne live inget pi Zosian tung ki pa tu kang gena 2.1 k kiching tau ta. Tu ini ka draw nong nai sim ta mang tai thul nang mu ruai le heng kilang thei mai the ding ka yak. Robinson inside the box. Still Robinson. Can he pull the cross? No, the referee is pointing to the corner flag. Koma cameraman ho jong chu commentator ki jong la advice ka pinom chu nunga me hoi jep ho chu fans ta de khat ve vin focus ji taw na bro. War ka ba ball tho chu ki phat lam na dum lo pi chu. Oh, that's coming close. Offense along da Zealand te si ham asam sau jep adang dai de tio na in focus jep ji taw. Mi tam tan tu chung pau ne hong lo ham tin pau ne hi tu chung kam do point ke te ne ka call tu khanai lo hin ai wa chu call na bol te ne upau rexon na cho di ham ti ho mo se tam mi boi lai lai na khan to mo ji dan da ti kin mai the ti ke chong thu nunga ho ka bun tia cameraman ho ka sol ya na kom la mu lo ham hi lo camera hi tam be se ya kom khat chun action hoi ta capture a ni zo le half time la le hung ki hol na ve to hoi ten na ve len hoi na sa le number jong thum din na pi chom lo di ho Anun FC ten defense apat bilam ball to wa Hinale passing Omzenelo pass right back pan chami hile view ahia Holmun mun nop ta ahia Chen how keep official auto ki dei nge hidio va mi boy la pau ne ko auto na zo le su boy ji wal cho. Oh, it's AFC with a cross. Will there be anyone? Jason to the rescue. Going for a very quick counter attack. This is going to be interesting. 24 versus 2 defender. Oh, that's a passing Lalsiam Choloy. That's a great flick. Oh! There is no one to collect the ball. He's claiming for the fall, but referee Sarmung say he is very assured that there is no fall there. Robinson collecting the ball. Can he do something? The ball is a little bit too far from him. Let's keep 7 nang bo na hi Tarara mang title kadai say. Tarara night ki chaita tu jan le last akid di he. Ngur var check var chu check man na di om hi a camera. Anon FC number 3 getting the ball. Oh, that's a crossing for the striker, but he fell right inside the box. Otherwise, it could have been a very good chance for him to tap in and score. Tule tuin hi Holmun FC alive. Hi wato commentary na ngayo le mang ta school kahi atu na Holmun grana ming pezat hi le mi sang sa tom so het loading hi. To aja hi all roads lead to Holmun hi. Lam ka kopya. Oh, it's FC striker. Smelling blood inside the box, but number 3, the defender, he is champrapik lebar sumagun laye. Robinson ilaw deo. Lalsiam chongloy lekloma. It's AFC lam te kimol hi. Team khara kimol hi jene game compact mama maya. Superstar ne si wa hinale. Game hi consistent mama maya wa tu chung tournament hi it's AFC te hi Pachat na mama khat hi piham ti ai le lots of commotion in front of the goal mouth. It's AFC lamte chance hoi tata nei wa hi na le finishing hi they clear chance khat be nei nice wa hi. Ball Amy, what is this videography? You better keep the camera stable. It's hard to watch football match with moving cameras. Camera khat ben to le chun na thulai se yong kila dom ni ha na. Aum sun suna ball ki del le bro. Joshua Molian, umanang komentata chu Peter Drury zong na commentary dan ko. Hom chin hun chin ben. Well, the match is coming alive. We want to see goal action. It's 1-1. We are 6 minutes 40 seconds far away from halftime. The scoreline is 1-1. And let's watch and see what would be the outcome and the strategies from the coaches. Milun kip gen som gupta nang thot jen kat deyo seu de ki pa hoyo pasin gol zo len tammi chu singju to icha zakat man pen to singju to dan darum na ben mo cameraman pa hoi mo complain plan hi bana na ball khalo no ki tu sa le chilai nunga ho bo na mo la diu football do koi man bet thelo di a technical has done a ground reality hello like complaint hey mama in hi by camera khat bo hi in World Cup na vet ho chu camera som thumin angle jo sia la chu chu na vet jiu a hin to hi camera is har bro is to hi camera li hi in drone khat to ki sang hi in ai dan na accept diu in hi wang chu ki holang akon hi we will be trying our best to improve chi live telecast adia sports live broadcast hi thilbai hi point no ngai lut na zia ha sale jong sum tam ta sia ki ball he ti chu in head below chin ti chu kan request nom he na vet nom lo le jong no ima chale ba jong hi pori na na to diu tam ton na to thim ta ta mi chiam mui mai in wa number 24. That's Lalcha. 1-2 passing. Oh, G cross the ball. Don't let him knock my teddy here. Hoyland cross them. Ground ball across. Ball Robinson in Devin ball. Good eye ball. Changkapon. Anon FC lam te jong hi. Ki bay. Chi game hi. Aki che week. Ki bay te ma mai wa. Number 19. Kam sang lian ni lek lo ma ka thei khial lo le. Number 17. It's IFC Lamten, crucial person, ball down, striker, power, defender, power, 1v1, Salah, come on, pasal nga, oh, what a skill, can he finish it? Oh, he shot right in the spot of goalkeeper, this is gonna be another one coming in, can he pull in the cross, he is not in a hurry, delaying, showing some great skill, look at it, HOIKIM, oh, that's a great save from Jason, not Toziel. Aha, tami shot pen hi. Hoi deu nin ball contact khali chu nop ma mai deng hi. Min thang au kip som ni ta nang thot seu so ki pa hoi ne som ni. Ngari bom neu te som tum ta beo tu lai. LK mang nunga hung lo chu camera hold yum talo camera ki dai lo camera lin hoi ta football focus le nunga kai ko ang hoya hoyum hi asam wang sawa nu me ham pasalam ka hepon na min thang hau ki som ni zen ta nan thorin tu lai ngari bom neu ho jong som tu mi ta cho 8 million to boy thank you zakat ta dang thada tun chu local chu ki don the himim ta achambatan chu ki hunta sanchi du khalai chu boin lai thon mo amte ke tan ding hi sia tam mi nang thot teu hi le revenue YouTube athem khat lu ding ya to chen he HOIKIM media tia ding he Paumilun khong sai tu chana ding CC pursunga football live telecast la ding anom pen le hoi pen hi tai well done HOIKIM media le mang tai thul thank you sometimes we need to learn to appreciate what people are doing more them hi abai hi nai ba hi Messi ki chep jong pam la kon ai vet ai le sit uma ji sunga e ga ki chi le la ball khat chang lowa red card ga ki mon lai mai thei di he it's IFC with another beautiful passing number 9 Salah pass leng khafu mai le chu nal di ye nop to zel no ma ji mai zel akal chenga hi aka le ton naung ki bol ji ri hin koi man lan at lo di hin aha ku wal be se akholaya wal chapang ho chun sunday school ka zilu habakuk he ti chuna zu du wal be se apa chun go zu hai wal be se apa chun nom lo ke ma lu sama jong kap ma ka lu le jong kong pi ta chom lo di he pau cha ha ke som li ta nang thot a som li jen ta nan thot jin ki pau ma main PM ki san lu lo to che ho jong phachom ni pra phachom he tu la na football sang commentator pa hi kangai nom joy full support from Hyderabad thank you chiao chunei ta san sa ji wa le nom dop kan khet la ji di ha ne khari control je bo sei phat chu hai long break fail khate kai we are entering to extra time before the half time. Let's see how would the match end before the half time. Anun FC lam defensive midfield pan ball controller hinale risky sim mama maya. Anun FC lam ho build up hoi mama jin. Oh, it's IFC then ball intercept ball in. Mithum striker Mithum Highwin number 9 Spahe ka Vietnam pai. Cross and ball of them. Number 9. That's a beautiful cross. Oh, Jason to the rescue. Sala loi pang nhiều zubo mà bằng mày à. Ê họ bao ai sẽ là meng cha zuman na bằng riêng. Lal cha true ball nal tap ya nale. Anun FC ichai the defender pan clear here. Hey nasim le kilo. Player pa hoi đều nó puai nó là referee mungin pa bang mai mai bang pua la zoom lo mong ye ngui. YouTube la na vi ho to complain khat au min mi tam wal be se mai lang ho na dinu le nung la hon mu thei po ti cha chu YouTube vi ho chu na bon wa na to bo YouTube vi ho chu na dinu ai le nung la hon mu thei po mi tam wal be se na to nom na mun che ra na to bo na teacher khat jong na teacher asan polo le tam ni cho pasal khat jong teacher apanga bazar sai kala hai sulet student khat mun good morning sir le bazar lai tiu la good morning sit down ta hai so pe pe he huge fan of commentator love from Guwahati, please reply my comment. Coach B, thank you love you from Kolmun. Son milal how keep som legend nan thorin ki pau me toy second hand mo za khal ni cho the ta in Christmas na hung diu ham na hung lo diu gam da ho hung do jon sale lang son milal how khat pek khat man din nang thon mo san chi teo som nga ngai tai bang som li as ho se chamba na ki try mai ta ben mo night program artist invite hoi le khum zamba hit maker paben samte hin aban teng le love joy khong sai hin as at least ka vet lowai hi le to hi kamo se thei pona hi wa top artist manglun tarara ma on sa din That's a halftime whistle. A fantastic match so far. It's bet of two equal. 1-1 is the scoreline. Tule tua hi scoreline hi le 1-1 ahi in. Halftime ahi. in match si technical boys ni chlai hi generator start ki hin to hi phat chom khari comedy ball diu hin Happy Heart School akon kain ve hostel life ha vale e kavenom le jong le e sweetie choi hoi ni le kha simpla ya chu thildang focus lo ri hin kimi how keep Happy Heart School hin alai ka den e nai chai bo chulak hoita kawon ngai lo chun commentary on za mai the du he son mon khumu zambala saripa pa ben samte hi twa nai lo hin zo le hong di hin pai tot na khat kan se di hin kimi pasal mel hoi tam na hin ka bo mang a camera choi ho zo si wa mang tawa mang title commentary ka za le anop chome KL chongloi no jong nan text wa chi live nan ave jen chong pa to kan sein zo met choi ta ki chap lai ta hi 2 ki hit a hin tua hi 1.2 mi sang khale zanin ki ve hin khumu zambala ki play le hi ki play thiam la YouTube a chu khumu zambala to ki play ai le chi YouTube channel li mang ke di hin copyright di hin chi ja chu la ki mo play thelo in son khole how keep compare na theme le en ti chu ki paw min night program invited artists in highlight out in khong ayo chila in check in katin night program invited artists or chu moi khong sai hiding hin manglun how keep hiding James Arjun ama hi le akingai te hen loading chilang sadin Tracy Baite in apaben samte zogam cowboy hiding aman sadi hi le good morning my everybody let us have coffee together chicho koila ham ti le thang pa style la you to hold on love zo khong sai ke inau cho choi hitmaker hin aban le helam boy bai te di hin boy gin gui te di samang giveaway chi pidi ham James khong sai giveaway chuna tu lai ta hi tu kum hi mai pung ha ga hi mai pung hi lo bekan bol hoi ta nam se thei ta hi chu chuna dei diu nam love my things mang kanunga nu min sabo zozam he zo le mi na dei chan man na sei khale o boy di he kimi single nom lo khat hei ka den chlai la single ke hol mi tam hi bang lai single lo 1000 a kiu mi cho okay comment section la chu in comment lan neu khat chi mi pizza commentary ki bol le chu tot na neu khat ke ngong ki prepare a chu neu khat sei khom tin na Paul Ganti police chai 2 anun 1 Oi commentator ko na ito ay komedya ki so di tain bro camera ham chilang tan daw khat be na okay mi pi tam zo chun commentator pa na mulo mai the di khongai camera kamit be hun bon phon lai nge kyo nai lo pinan non detail and say the bro ready am commentator pa in mu khala wai les like ka o min nagin chat sang ka beli hoi mos ti ma hin khomu zamba ka tu khari bongai tai na kho pon to hi bro angle joy lai tia angle di sa to su ka na iti bau yeng na commentator paul lel thimi tain nom na zo siwa sai don khom dio hin to chung chu a crowd hon commentary za kha ta lo hin chlai hi jokes neu khat ka ji to a chiao chu ban ma kan se di he gol hang khal nuwa ki ngai ki dei cha honwa adong manu chu ni tan se heu kan ngai thei ji dan hi kamanga kan mu jeng nang namanga namang be nei mu lo ha ma tien apa salpa jun manga mu sei lo I mu dong kai mu poe tana wow pu ya tana kilai fi yo youtube anh ken ye ana boss pa ya ama ja lam ka commentary tang thei to ba na ama hi sei kam tournament adi nga hi ama hi nasata gimne tol khos lo de I wana pat top tani pangdi ya kasi comment section la commentary hi youtuber ho adi bo hidan a hi e ong nakilo kim lon bo we em youtuber ho in bu ne kho min bu ne kho mai le vlog bol tam wal be se wa bu ne di koi ma chaum ta lo pasal ka yung police panga police ka pana ko na kum sagi he tain ipizia o mai san sa ji o ma te ham ka he the nai po ti
Dari sabi mang amukha ng bahile Ichilang bulangai hinom sabi dewin ikitimu ve sabi mang sa omin ko ito bang sabi mukha ng bahile lungsitain
fans day to in hi mundang ki focus ki ading ita tam hi le commentary box hi tam na ke jong ka GoPro to hi cham kaya
first man sa omin lungsitain ko ito bang first mukha ng bahile.
Let's enjoy the commentary again. Bro, nunga ho tem phat focus to chila bro chila ho jong focus go mangji hau kep lam ka so mi tha se zo se na ti e chlayat pora pon tho tam ta jom he igam sunga corruption hat wala corruption in ne thelo thil khat bo ma polio vaccine bo he o mang dai thul big fans from Amir Papa. Hey Amir Papa, thank you thang vel buite sound hoi mon e sound hoi mo e ti dem
Hồi nhai rồi chứ anh click mình
e click dina ole match ki pan kya ding hai ta tan lian tom bing nu mei lam te hon dok sak de wo ki mol te result chu WhatsApp group a et theina ai chi le Google la na search le nu nga hoi de te nen mai ta tan lian The match is just about to resume again. The second half kick-off is gonna start again. match parkai ta anun FC te hi not langa pangtawa scoreline hi le 1-1 hi join hi drawn footage jong le kyat chen maya
Talele tangbo
anun FC lamten attack ball somwa Samuel Kashmir langa hon jong kan dewe oh thank you Samuel Kashmir hong ting le apple ne khat bein po wo corner kick anun FC lamten pairing hi wanal deu nang lenga goalkeeper pan nop tan naman ta he tel ngo mangmila HOIKIM Pominun kong sai microphone chuna choi thole comment section la mi ke khat chun sei kam story chune khan sei pian ti na hi wa tu lai tai research le information preparation khalo hi jai tu chung kan sei thelo di hi in sorry ama hi le igam sunga dinga nam sipai monum ta hi in chi jai ma head jing la dinga ki ball chan chu ke head hi in detail history chu ke ma cha ka hepon kan sei thelo jen kho ka sale jeng e lamka khopi sum Manipur pumpia dia district lian pen hi tu tan in turf ground na kinai nai sia tammi hi election masanga chiam khal ni uma na le tu kai ta chiu ni ang bol ta na di woi chi ya Mizoram ten hi district chin tenga turf ground ni le thumane wa tammi khu football khan to na mama khara hi ya he gozu le buan noi ni sal le lei vui khu kangpok pi te nei lo chandel te nei lo Churchanpur te nei lo twai nei lo poi mama khat kya hi le minister khat jong ki nei lo MLA sagi ki nei ya te bang ngai twai le mai la khan to sa ngai keniam su le kiloma tammi football to relate sin an jong awareness akang get mai hi AFC number 10 ball nal tain lai control ball passing na ding ena through ball nal tang thro number 11 ball tacha AFC te taming tam theile chu hoi mawadi ha free kick yat som tum vel ding ya ape the siam om le chu tammi chu convert thei mawadi hi le kiloma Chai captain free kick pairing nang di hia Mangmilal tu jan na lam lo di ham ti jong nau win tu jan ai lam the hi nai wanga gospel la ki sa baba black sheep ki sa mo lam lo di music tak to lam ding ti chu tu jan sei kam nai program ngo ko kan sei no number 7 free kick pairing hi ready salian ai ta aha surprise them ground ball apia nan le na ki block hi passing nal ta chai lam ten bilap kya wa box pulanga defender pa jong IP hang san ma bang kyam kwa maya chai FC ten crossing nal tang pio aha heading ball ai le striker pt ball collecting na ta sia he and a boy football match Paul mun krana pat hi ami mang tai thul live commentary All India Radio Imphal tu ana ngai hi le mang tai thul thado program akona football match All India Radio akona hung ki bola hin kang pok pi lang ho na ngai diu ka ging chai mun chom au mo lo mi zau se ni ham tom nei wa zau sung la jang sung nu ha mi tuam dia ta ja he local dialect nei che da ya nal na ki bang che da ya lam ka chi chen hi ham tam pi ki mix hi jen hi second half ki pan kya ta timing so la ki chi ha 2 minute na chu ham
40 minutes sung na
another 40 minutes sung ni ko gol khum le chi hi
tu lo la mi pressure ka cham lo
tu chan match statistics vedai le koi macha red card yellow card ne ompon game hi final hi wang hi game hoi tani ki chem wina hi wa ill temper kilom lo ta ti ompon mutual respect team te ni ka hoi tai na min chi chulai football player hola veton ta the ta hin ni dang lai chu ne khat superstar thi mai le ke lo koi ham ti tabang khat in chem jun this is going to be very exciting lal siam chong loi the mercurial striker he has a tendency to score in big match chi lal siam chong loi hi hoi dewa ven lo ai le big match te ni ma hi goal khum hi big match player hi in so chanpur na na dinga hi ama hi striker ama kalwa striker handi at ambe ase point tuni anun FC te chun semi final 2-0 in zo zone tuni chu alel zep now he zone ka seitan repeat kin katin a player misagi starting lineup misagi jen ta hi ailik trawa chim da chiin na it's AFC te chi football ka Vietnam na oh ta ha a pila bo hoi thein intensity hoi thein chilaya anun FC te chu chanpur adi hi superstar de tam zo hi superstar hi it's AFC te la in player min Paul alang be si ompon hi wa the way how they take the match as a team amau hi a team ha na hi le team combination hi in ke jong chi tournament a hi football team khara coach ka pan hin khoi ma cha khat ve yong ka zo pon me sum match mania sum ki seng za chu sang som nga hin is don man teng to hisab le lak khat nai hi oh match ni a jong chi local tournament ho first prize 1 lakh ti chu ichai FC te di chu transport du abu ne le cha ho ngai tu ai le chi za hi player ke khat chu winning mentality sanga poimo chu match money ne khat mu ala oh ho chi nop di hey number 9 versus number 6 the goalkeeping coming out of this place lai ground so am ho hi ami pi tam wal be sen amu thelo hin goal na khum te hung peng ji win anung la kon ki mu thei po tin thing la tournament jong a ground hoi mo wal be sa goal khum wa goalkeeper pan hello striker pa hai to goal ka khum ve ga ti pi hin Elizabeth som ni zen ta nei thoram ki paom ne accelerate apat hey thank you that's great Tam tom jong le I tot thua hin thank you so much that's a very kind gesture thank you accelerate apat be jong tho dana be mo happy heart in Go to boys Sarmang Kaloi Pat thang min hau kip Tiger in ko ten chang voding na hol mo ve final a hung kham khat ve nan sap PO es nabil ho a he thang min hau kip chilaya YouTube an na ve khalen in ko ten chang voding nan hol mo bin hoi lai na den ham tu chana sei kamla na hung kha wai organizer te mo ki polo di ho chang voding ha hol mo ham kana hol li cho amel ta ba ham in sei ta oh hoi chai FC lamte chance khang to don do mute chang bo di ho chlai comment la nong ki hol mo hi u pau neu ko len ko lan ho tan ho di hen ho chu that's great skill number 28 passing now Tapia Robinson ball ngai now side defender 10 ball clear ke tao he game he oh hoi number 9 pain tung phei kya ta subway zolo deo Jason in ball atang kya ta he one in all channel Saramang Chhattisgarh kona na o khazai thank you anu FC player poi mota le mile kilom in number 19 kam sanglin continue thein na di ma yan dingwa ding do kitain, that's good news. SK Cham versus KFA Cham ki chim le vet hoi lo di ham cho chu ai sum tu abas I ma cha ki nei la hilowa organizer ten an ngai ven wai la chu one of the he chu e ho lang Champions League ta bang di hin no pu hau kip Kashmir ko na vet ta tai na mo na zo na selen selo hoi ta ka check di hoi zo le Okay, Chai FC trying to penetrate the defense here. Number 2, Lalcha. He is handling the situation very cool. Number 6 with putting the ball out of danger zone. Ladies and gentlemen, we are live here from Holmun Ground. This is the grand finale. It's the battle between team from Kangpopi, the visitor, team in blue. If you're just joining, the scoreline is 1-1, and the team in blue is a very strong contender from Churichanpur. No one has believed these two teams would be storming to the final at the beginning of the tournament, but they have been proving time after time that they are worthy of getting into the final. That's a great tackling from Ichai FC. Good passing, number 9 running, waiting for the pass to come. Oh, this is going to be exciting. Can he do something here? Ichai FC with a golden chance. Taking a shot blocked by the defender. Great defending on FC jersey number 3. He has been terrific and simply outstanding. He has done his job well. He is definitely the great wall of Anun FC team. This is box-to-box material from one box to another box. This is amazing. India State som ko na hung veho zo sin chu ki pa thu kan save in chi YouTube Media Age wang phat na hin chlai mu na ho jong hi hung mo khalo chun mi tam wal be sia first line lo ho chun amu lo hin mo a ground hung thu ti bo ya few mu ding chu ha sa hi Anun FC defender number 3 ama hi tu chimet sa impressive mama jingin let's miss pass YouTube ave ho chlai gari chabi amuna kaman sa win mu kha wa le lung se tai nei pi diun kan sei pi si YouTube abo cho commentary midang zalo chúng ta cái bộ rất nhiều vui thôi nè chúng bảo chân bay cả bảo vệ sầu cho mà sao cái chỉ标会啷个过了嘛Húp goal lên khong sai bro USA kau me na zalo ham kazai na USA chu ui saum na hamo attendance zar ham ti chu na no mai le drone footage zo le drone a hi khat ve robot in an sorin chila ning la chu vetaw hoi ta but offense te tu khat ve nang le sa thei dei mi zarum ham to hi numele pasal simlo a kholmun grana hi mi sang som wala hi numele pasal ki simle izad ham ti he the hi point ai Robert RB Media tu ni ama hi pilot hin drone footage
Signal.
chief football ground bar an yam dewa leng salai danger ai chi drone footage mi zar ham ne nom waile kholmun ground ai ta dimit me da hin che chi football kholmun ground
Open lang on kino.
no see Joseph lots of love from Korea maning lekai hey Korea jong maning lekai ham
Open lang on kino.
wow this is the drone footage akibe hi in hey nupi naw pai lai ho ga sukhawin te hung ki beng deu bo
Battery check di. Battery wireless battery check no. Wireless battery. Mana sila? Wireless battery tu.
ai khong sai sar mang le HK media in Jordan anil honvo video coverage vet nomum ta le comment ngai nomum ta nei bol pe ka ki pai hey khai thank you god bless you len boy chong zakhan nan thon ki paum bal be se to hi amme pi man ni to local to hoi ta ki thing se dai tayo sai dana bong sung la di ha mai lo sai ko ra ho ha mai lo le new lam ka ho ham tui rai vo ngoi tong ki dai ma di te thank you party shot team time player fit lo ho hi ong ki team time ke se lo player hoi exhausted team le kilom tawin jirobam sarmang kyo jong jirobam mongbung kuki akon in kan devin anom le jeng he khat be jirobam akong di see you there in jirobam thank you we appreciate for taking the time to watch this chi wedding a phanan chu ong je na chok pa to kan se ne he half time ki chai ta in to hi minute som ni sagi tabang ki wada hi in chi goal khumma sa pen chu this could be anybody's game akumma sa san zo thei zo mai thei hilo penalty oh lal sim chonglon ball chang in milia lurin defender nga omin penetrate chu ha sa thim dia kilomin ki chai te defender ho zo hi mo thui pon defense te ni hi an ni alang lang ni ball mo legal sa povin as referee mun yellow card pe ni ta ball ki dai le job card jong PMI the hin Tana bit chu referee mo hi ama hi cho commentary le da thei phadi ana
Nan po na kin mo na.
Sekian pa so masuk ka dyan.
So nan kipo do.
Garis mo.
Ako tile hila do nang sala ka sa apay pwede.
player in Jeremy Lekilom to a free kick anon FC 10 and pwede wahin anon FC 10 free kick and pewin inal far post lang leng thele wang chu hoi de hi na hian gamlat valbe se jin chu drawn chu patchen kilang thele ground level apa chu vet ha je ben ti win na hi wa chu amuna dinga chu drone keu se su la jong hi ha sa thoin na fan so chu velojin chi Churchanpur calendar even adia hi
Ni li pha pha la hoi hoi. Ni li nai lo ja pai the mo lo. Pai tau ai. Sa to atin to. Ton bol to no.
anon FC den ball chang kirwin number 10 kom ball pin
Hello. 5:32 program hi ki pat pa.
Amet si goal ki kum masaya ka kale to naung ki ball ji di hin. Anu FC lamten crossing nol tan pe na. Wow, that was one of the best chance in the second half. Replay kit ya. Replay hi record masak ngai ji hi jai mobile ball the point instantly. I want to record ki ball jo ten kan play ji di wa hi. Anu FC lamte hi, they are coming alive. They are getting much better in the last 10 minutes. They are possessing the ball and penetrating. That's a great, beautiful move. Lalsiem Chong Loy. Hey, pick the best magun le. It's lamte number 10 ball control ball. So referee mungin ako da vain. No ho Sunday school ana nuna paun hil khalo ham. Khosung kharai haw satu pona bolo pungam se chu hello khosung mi pite ho pungam se chu piti ha Zone is in Virgin Hunter. Mia Khalifa cho hoya sti ham SK Laita football video hung tia katen avon ho ki von ina cho Mia Khalifa cho KK. What the necessary comment man? It's IFC lamten attack ball somwa box pulang ahoy striker pan ball drilling bola. Inal defender pan ball clear number 7 ball tanga shot a bola hele goal mana leng ta si. Zone is in Virgin Hunter. Ipina session e hoila Mia Khalifa de ali Jordan la na hol tang. Aban ho tong por hinam na shooting lai tau hila kaden. Izole goal hang ummo khadin na vetlel khainte. IFC building up again. Number 7 trying to penetrate the captain. Jacob Tuidam comment chui vedai le football ka vet kain ka hol be khara kange tia. Khota ve ball thela umlowa. Number 7 getting the ball in a very crucial position, giving passing to number 9. Can he make something out of this? Trying to show some skills, but he is tightly marked by 2 defender. Nothing much happening. He win back the ball. Looking for a cross. There is no striker to collect. This is what is missing here in this match. They need a creativity at the final third. Midfield kichabu hoi, defense zone hoi, even final third hung hitin lehin. Final third hi creativity ki vad sep in team teni hi anin. Free kick pet ka in ton na khat ga ball tin ton na ball ko action gang ji wala ki tot man ji lohin. In nei pa chu na in bharate koma lal khao ka the hai na gu ham din ka gu hi ganam the hai ga number som thum le sagi le som thum le get amange na gu hi beta the hai in ga number nei ham ka he pon na. Number 3 with crossing. Midfielder pan ball collecting the bola. Aha, danger the mama maya keeper padin simle kiloma. Referee mungin bangdin muna hiya chieven kiya he. Menes. Tammi hile Coleman sina hi tammi hile mi pite hi tammi naet penu hile corner te na pe na ge ya robot RB Media, thank you so much. Tammi hile commentary na ge la hi tun kilang to jele ka commentary ball na ge la ong hidinga tammi hile official board he to na jun thana hoi dewai thai le nunga ten sala pan get a peaceful da ki thaya tammi hile mi pi sina hi mundang om ten hi lamka mi te mundang om khan om wai hele mu khanai lo khol mun ground ki chibang he te adin hi tammi hi background study theina he to ana mu 10 pen hi le tammi technical team te om namona ya tammi hele drone footage player pa ding kya ta mi pi tam seng mi pi tam wal be sa om lo ho jong hol ki mu do jeng he mong pu horstar commentator pa chu mel hoi mo thoin te in nang phat ven na ki vele chun a hoi mo lo di chu nang sa them khat ji am mai the di he Johnny sun chu block out ti loi jong umin na that's a very quick interception by Chai player trying to pull the cross, nothing happening, putting the ball out of danger by Anon FC defenders. Anon FC getting the ball inside outside box. Lal Siam Chonglo, the danger man, but the ball is not good enough. He could not get the space and timing that he wanted to finish there. And boy mama football final to me hile HOIKIM tournament final grand finale here to le tu akimol hile IAYD Ichai area youth development chidie tele Anon FC te hiwa he Anon midfield ball tanga passing through ball apia winger pan delta chen number 10 in ball collect mandi hile kiloma skill naltan solla hinal sol foot asia he mang referee pa kum sin fit che what's the secret in ma hola ration bu hoi ta ki pe ve tai yo hedi choi umang player ho koma grason de pivot ti jong omin commentator pa khu dong manu ka hol mo namu kha hi le nin heads o amin linghoi mo khong sai silai ko ki peng le la YouTube abo ki mudin state danga ho namu kha wa le manipura ka mu ya nang hoya na umam Anon FC controlling the ball. Player te fit thewe chat mai number 3
Menes 50 all like
Lal Siam Changloi duplicate hi na ma hi Lal Siam Changloi brother from another mother ati ho in English maker pan sele
50 popol
free kick in favor of Anon FC. Party tamom ta pon minutes som nga tabang vel cha umahita in chi ko iham champion ding ki hethin ai pon second half ko ima team hi effective zone hi in Chai FC lamte defender striker ho cameraman tia dia ha ji dan camera la le de khu bil ki sob lo ti ho bo ki muji ai tai chi jahid number 7 through ball nal ta pin Anon FC midfielder pan na clear kita na he number 25 Robinson. Oh, he's trying to show some skill here. He's still going strong. Can he do something out of this? That's a beautiful cross coming in from Robinson, but 3 defenders are marking that striker. He's in no man's land. Park chai ta in the live of ho chun commentary comment section la ko iten zo dem prediction ball ki vo hoi tai tu ai giveaway in ki pedi hi in Roma winter hi to klona na kisil jinam o ningkum Christmas ka kisil chu kyo venga keisa kisil lo khat umin ga kisilo tila Christmas na ita mati jin na lam ka tui ha ibangai pikisil ham na seyo tui don yong kim zolo he kai sang wall 2-1 Anon FC prediction hi in Ichai FC will win tiloi jong omin goal scorer hin heads up oh bro scorer ho goal scorer ho hi kyo to kakizat to ya world cup lang ka soldo ta ba world cup lang tilang score din hoy kanet sa dio he world cup ko beres pa koy na Anon FC lamte ni super sub an koy Lud Govin jersey number 7 an Solo Govin amamin chu koy hamiti ai le Anon FC Lamin Thang LSC for what am I local player in Chilaya hi chab hoi impressive mama jing hi in lam sang LSC Anon FC ten ball chang kidawin part ki chai go hi ta jin hi penetration pass le crossing he oh that's a heading coming Anon FC the player koi macha collect the ompo in chi hey final thara hi creativity attacking zone ta hi creativity ki wat jab chi na he ka se hin izai no jong lo chen mo no ho thu mo chi di he poi ti chu sar mung hoi ten a sen ke nei ta san lo le se ta san di koi ma chaum ta poi ti no ho ba ka Sunday school a chi kha lo ka hi poi I'm a man of my words khát dây cái tí chứ na xì hay này commentator by coi fans name na thì cái fans sarmung fans cái là referee pa na amai ban pi chom nei lo linesman au ta cái team war cái gì Chai Anon FC tarin golden chance kada ya goal khum thei diwe aha that's very disappointing da hoi ne mo mai zen Pari ki chai go hita in 9 minutes bo mai ta in penalty shootout hung hidi le kilom in ai wang hi 9 minutes hi football hi a say zio chip yam it's not over until it's over akichai to kai kichai lo hin we have seen so many late dramas coming in the big match, so let's watch and see what would the outcome. It's 1-1 here at Coleman. So defender number 6 pass on ball ahead on head and kick on a kick in head kick it hin so number 3 in crossing and ball in Kateo molu di chiri this could be one last chance for Anun FC. They need to capitalize on this kind of chances. So let's watch and see. Will they be able to make something out of this corner kick? So many Thai players. The keeper coming to the rescue. SK final hi China ding minute tamlo ki bare hey. Ball na pewin lang sarmongan tin hoi lai tin ki su kha han lal sem nang jong na neu to mo na sa lien jo mo pe na ti e ho langa hi doctor ita bang team jong le keng bol leng tui alu ke leng tui a ha bol leng tui avun a ko leng tui tho thon lai na player ho injury hi lo le ki tong khai atam thim to ta in auto power off sala do Marinzo injury chen commentator te ong kilang zel le chin cha commentator ki te kilan ding ai camera li chau hi ja ki capture man lo ki mo he the lo ya to a jen na thei siam len kamel ka pom jo hon bilana mu chim go baw chin half time a chu tham khan kilang kwau sa mi nga khen khan ki sil lo na mang chi wa kilang un non si be ngo we are into dying minutes, not more than 8 minutes left here. Will it go to extra time or will there be last minutes score? That's a beautiful ball coming 1v1 against the goalkeeper, no one to collect. There is no supporting line there in the attacking midfield. This is where the team needs a coach. This team is coached by Tui Sang. He is one of the best scout. Anun FC te scout hi le Tui Sang hi na ma hi le igam sunga de scout la khaza tan ma loi na man team set up in final lut munjing ke win tu chunga Anun FC te jong hi final at sa hoi jok chim de expect a hi win a hi wanga hi isei ma bang chun mi sagi jenta ai le ki chim de state danga chi jion hi semi final a 2-0 azo hina pin to hi tham ha asaten win chi final hi one sided di ham kiti chu gin chat sang anop ma jen goal hi hlom lut jabin penalty yung shoot diu ham ipidi ham ke thenai pon he tu de Holman grana mi pi ho chu drone footage an na vet wai le ana sama ma jin chi sei kam football kiti hi football lovers to even calendar ading hai miss ngam chi hi point ate khang anu pa gay le lesbian ho jang pa na ki kim so ji hin chilaya he la he chi to na men hi igam sunga ding a he mi pi tam ki khop na pen khom pi football khom pi len te la kha da he on an FC midfield ball tang kitain through ball penetration ball ball win number 7 body Malton body fainting have a go in hi wang chun Chai FC 10 a block up tan he Anun FC lang number 3 defender by impressive le jin akimol hi performance is solid ma main lal sim chongloi chlai la hi danger zone hin contact hoi khale ma hin semi final quarter final out chitabang magical goal hi khum ji hin he should not be given space and time around here chlai la hi mun ong hi lo le phat pi kha wai le he can go for the killer ama chun game hi One Sonata Tezin. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Let's watch and see. Number 9 waiting for the cross. Can he pull the cross? Oh, he is going for glory himself. That's a little bit of selfish. He has 2 striker waiting inside the box, but that's also not a bad attempt. The only problem is he don't have a good contact with the ball. Well, this is exciting. Yeah. Number 7 from Anun FC fighting the ball against 3 big players of Ichai. So the hell. Kikhen toy sarmung kikhen thei poi ok sen goal ti. Time is winding down here. It's just about a matter of few minutes to decide who will be lifting. 3 minutes remaining for injury time. Who will be lifting this trophy is a big question. The SK trophy hi Chanpur team in Aladi Ham hi kang pok pilang lung diam ti chu extra time ki chep diwaile extra time so ang ke mai the hi penalty zone. There is a likelihood this match will go down to penalty. Lal Siam Chong Loi. Number 7, the new players in. Sar mong na say to referee pan say kay cho no ho mo lep thế na hiểu am. Another substitute coming in, jersey number 19 coming in place of jersey number 17. Can he be super sub? I think this time the coaches need to get in players who can take the penalty as well, because all these players must be very, very tired and exhausted. I love this guy number 7. He is quite a playmaker. There he goes once again. Ichai FC getting the ball in a very strategic position. Can he take the shot? Oh, too tight. He could not hit the ball as much as he wanted. Get up boy mama football. Stephen Hangsing next match ko ite diham. Next match ding chu SK IAYDA achamba don ho chu khumuzamba hoi ta hung lam ni chu next match adia ki warm up sawi ta khumuzamba la mun zo se to hi ki warm up ite. Number 11 getting the ball in a very strategic position. He's pulling the cross. The new player is coming in. He tried to get the contact, but he could not touch the ball. There comes passing in the midfield again. That's beautiful passing. That's very quick one touch. But Robinson could not get the ball. Chai has put in this number 19, a fresh young blood. They looks very young, but it's very impressive the way how they are playing as a team. No one has believed that they will be storming to the final, but this team has proven once again you cannot underestimate and right of team from Kang Pokpi. Oh, this is going to be exciting. Can they do something? He has got the ball. Oh, he takes a shot, but not on target. Look, Karen, pamay thene. Here is one golden chance from the Ichai side. Can he take the shot? Oh, that's a goal! Oh, what an amazing goal! But There's a lot of argument. Where's the VAR? We need to ask. Referee Mung is trying to Well, that's rule out, and that's not a goal. Now the game is gonna be alive. It's IFC. This must be a real rejuvenation for HIFC. This is the man who is coming in, making difference. Number 19. Will Lightning strike twice? This number 7 is key player who is a playmaker in HIFC. Number 7. That was beautifully set up. Well, aludi tawag chao. All million jo noi apart kan verhi on HIFC number 7 Captain pa impressive mamajin he go hinama hi rawa kichima he there comes another through ball from Ichai. Anun FC, they are very cautious now not to make the same mistake again. The normal time is just about to get over. Now here comes the chance from Anun FC. They are trying hard, but look at the defending position. Ichai FC. That's offside ball. We are going extra, 4 minutes extra. That could be the most crucial 4 minutes in the life of these players if they are to live and make history in this tournament. 4 minutes ahead additional time. Tuna football na YouTube ano login tezo sen tung kipatu kang genwa. To ba na commenting pe tezo se tung kipatu kang gena. Comment go ilawin sumle paing tho tezo se tung azong kipatu kang genwa hi. Tammi tournament kam tuam mi tampin ngai lu ji live media live coverage ball pi HOIKIM media te tung kipatu igena. Team participate te tung zo se kipatu igena to abana. I take this time out to thank all the fans who love football coming from day one. HIFC making one last ditch effort. Can they do some magic again? It was such a beautiful build up. Even though the goal was ruled off. Number 7, he's quite a playmaker. Now, let's see what can number 10 bring in for the team. This could be a very crucial throw. Can they make something out of this? There comes a ball. Number 9. Can he take? Oh, that's very clever. Can he finish it? Oh! What a miss! There goes the final whistle. And the match is draw. Now let's see. Will it be going for extra time or no crowd? None of the thousands of crowd are having intention to go. Look at the traffic. Look at that crowd. This is how amazing he is. This must be a drone footage shot from around 30 meters. This, what a beautiful scene here, Coleman. We are live this month title. Let's watch and see. Just amazing, we are having green turf here. This would be so awesome. Look at this. This is a beautiful footage. Thank you so much one and all for watching. Yeah. The referees are taking this sun now. I think the sun is setting down the western sky, so it's getting dark. So they'll definitely go for penalty. Hot way to penalty kian ni chun wat pot vai
15 minutes an hap de ngai the
up de mai the chu mo
hap de ngai the vai
nang azong temperature ni khat na ti thi da
cái minutes rồi hấp biểu nữa
ya lo zom ho dong thau tu ngai de direct mo temperature khat ga
direct đi tại
6000 okay nam chan
Jangan lampau nanti. Oh, follow.
zo zanga done pen zo am ta
nang ade tai na
tu chung gol ki khum lo wang commentator pading wang phadom mo mo second half wa hi pgm ti le chlai zanga pen zo khumum lo le ke adiam ti le i nga tin na referee den decision ta win team ten ya ko win ipi decision hung hi di ham ke the nai pon e heo nang la ke la ka chang se nang la na chang se ei ni ki cheng tai te ke la ka chang a phalo nang la na chang a phalo ei ni ki cheng tai te tun la de advertisement e tun la de lam de practice ei ka za chawale jing te le YouTube ana mai ka de so pi pa wala no min na kham ten te le to na la mung bangin ha ve cái gì thằng đều fan này giờ talk so kan cầu thế đi này sao hả mồ cắt tên Rama kibai samang tu jana selfie kan cut home te jana dia ka ki god hitai body charging to live kan ka hi body charging chu hop a hoye na charger chu ei ve vai so ke yo Menes, khát về hilam tano, view, khát về talang tano,
exposure up masat ta zoom out ta
hello to hi penalty shootout ding ta tami hile taka da hiat na HOIKIM media ma ta ta fans te hi commentary stadium a za thelo ja tam bang bol ya tami coi na zodi le khat ve predict ve le penalty shootout dia na prediction wa di ai le tammi kaluku hi kang thot lo dia hi okay thank you Menes cameraman ya tammi commentary bol dan scenario na edu da le tala fans te lo kya ve Menes khat ve ola official ta te mel hoi de te lo chin okay anwam de si du wai Oh, thank you, thank you.
Ball bo. Nangin white. Thank you.
Đây đàn kêu anh ấy tana. Oh. Well, that's the first penalty. Amazing shot. That's really finishing well. Anon FC. Anon FC opening the score with 1-0. There is no chance for the goalkeeper to save that kind of world-class quality penalty. Now it's down to AFC. It's all about holding nerves, keeping your cool, but it's not easy as you are watching on TV or from outside. We have seen time and time over many of the world-class players missing penalty. It's not because it's because the pressure is too much. So let's see. Ichai FC captain, can he come to equalize it? He is the leader who stepped in first. Farewell taken. He is celebrating, pointing towards the sky, pumping the air with his fist. Jersey number 24, Anon FC. Saineo Kuki Nguyen, jersey number 24. Brilliant penalty. Powerful one. There is no chance for the goalkeeper to save that. Wow. Anon, 2 penalty, 2 score. With 2 score. We'll try to capture with the drone footage this penalty. Wow. Here's the drone footage. Beautifully taken, number 7. Ichai number 7. Here you go. Now this is gonna be Anon FC jersey number 3, Loon Min Thang. He is a very exciting talent in the defense. It's a drone footage. Oh, what amazing telecast here from HOIKIM Media, this drone footage. Loon Min Thang, that is very cool. Super cool free kick. That's it's a very tense atmosphere here. 7 penalty taken, all scored. Let's see who will be missing out. Make a prediction, ladies and gentlemen. Time is winding down here. Can he make it 3-3? Oh! Jason has saved it! That's what I've been telling you. This man is specialized in penalty save. He has proven time and time again. He has a history. When it comes to penalty, he always has something to offer to the team. Look at how fit is Sarmong. I killed my mom. Anon FC is missing JDD, but he is on I-League duty. If he were here, it could be a much different story, but still, the second choice goalkeeper is doing a fantastic job. He has already saved. Now the pressure is on Ichai. That's a goal, Lal Siam Chong Loi. There is no room for mistake for jersey number 9. The pressure is on him. If Jason saves again, if Jason the keeper saves it, it's game over. But they need a lifeline from jersey number 9. Ichai, jersey number 9. Let me check out his name. I can't quickly find his name. Where is? Okay, Mang Len Tang. He is Neroka striker. He looks very confident. Oh, that's one live. It's a score to win situation. Wow. Menes, tuan a player ding te up close at the facial reaction value. Let's see what's the facial reaction of all these players who are waiting for their friends. Some are praying. Tu lai ta gang te again a lal pa nang chung ki involved da. And it's game over. Arun FC are champion of 2022 HOIKIM tournament. A clinical finishing from jersey number 10. What a match. This is really worthy of final. Ichai FC are unlucky to have their last minute goals ruled off. Wow, this is beautiful game. Look at the crowd. This is time to say thank you one and all. This is Mount Title signing off for today. And those of you who are logging in live here, we'll try to meet again tonight after 5:30. Look at the celebration. It is crazy here. The traffic jam will be at least lasting for another 2 minutes. Tamia here, HOIKIM football not now. Look at the celebration. Grana, mi pi tam say Messi abang liu mai here. Thank you Alal and Joshua for the sponsorship. Thank you HOIKIM Media, and this is wonderful. Menes, tempat pulang aman bawa. Player day interview le, pay day le. Tapi ground soal match jauh hita tu ini tambi hi Arun FC te kem hi tam ta tengah hi na trophy ready sau ma ya tana igam sungadi nga prolific football writer Simon Lun ya ma hi gamdang ten na ne jelu match bang China sai le Arun FC te performance bang China sai
gintat bang ako ya mo isai area tiang hoi danu ki bang chet
semi-final 2-0 na zo nopta game ku one-sided dia ngai tu le 7 players lagi poi mo ta lo chu final dia blessing khat jang suat ho le mo ki be kop thawa
semi-final la chu tu na zo hin anun ten yong le tu ni chu trout player tam ta za wa hin anun langa hi chu tu nia hung ki chim thei lo hi wen yong le anun te chu squad ho ya ho hin tu lai ta state league player amfa cup ai lo le super division caliber ngin even player ho so mi sagi apol ai jong le squad depth chu hoin ja so tournament compete thing player chu tho na lai even ja so met jong so tu sina penalty shootout lung kha ti ding da ne
lun
okay hello
coming gil chu okay zanol ki pa ma mai lu no thank you so much tami le khol mun ground scene ya to hi lung khamoi pen le traffic jam bol the na
testing
to ni tamna background ai chino wa Arun FC player cut stay khat kang han dinga tamna follow nam bro ngo chong khar kyo de chong khar kyo de you to live ve ngo final prize preparation jing lai hin chi tournament hi Alal and Joshua Motors ten sponsor in sim Kolkata ko na first team ki chem man lo na hung chu Arun FC na zau khan chi final la na ni mo blessing ham
keng kagelin na final la na di mo mga blessing kha song hinten gol ngai FC a chu zawdinga ka do mini song le dei bang hilo pha na chalaya anon FC na loi hola ka zaw pe pe
plan lo pia final na la kha di dan ta second finally tu chun khat ve la na ha mai loi zar ve la tam
khat ve na he final long ka kai na khat ve na he
yam I lam ka khopi sunga dinga hi striker min thang khat jong na hin top scorer mun ni mun thuma na line na a hi wa chu na trophy cabinet event le chi sei kam tel lo hi lam ka dia complete player kisim thelo ham
chibang chu mun tin zo sia achievement la sana player linga thila sata khat ai en hormon player tai lo hormon tai lo na mun dang dang chun achievement jong sakila thawen to SK kala hi complete ka sa thau ta
final na la kha chi PP ham martyrs na la kha tam
martyrs chu kala kha po in adang public ground azam
zogal na la kha zogal lo match na
zomin amni
injury na hin na kera chu hung ki try di ham ta football fans on na lunggim ken iti na hung comeback ham neu khan na struggle dan lungneu man dan ole nong dam kid dan neu khan nan se pe the de
injury ki chun koi man jong ki chim kit in ta san pun na
kim ken ni
koi man ken ko ten jong ta san lo loi hon ta san loi jong le lunglut na zala chu all ola ke ma ki ham bola covid lai ta to hin hospital on check up chi thelo ke ma all ola ki ham bola tia he rehab jong ke man ke bola kum kha jo khong ki sip the pan he
sem lamka footballer zo sila chi second trophy deserve le nang na hin big congratulations na fans team sa munda ala sa chi second nge khol muna fans team sa la jo tilman fine ki pau me o
fans ho zo se chung ki pa thu ka pong he
thank you tôi ni trophy ki om ding ai ta tam mi tam ta hun support ding wa YouTube lang ai tu te zo sen tu ki pa thu kang gen up mang tai thul tu adin hi lock out ki pot ding he
rice jakai ho basangin free se tu se tan stage lang ni kalo le jol ki pa min tu free ho amin minase ngalo in labon din line hung ding le jol ki line le jol ki pa min ti
Pau, nala ke gol bo.
Pau, không ăn thật điều.
Oi,
rice ana hom pan tau tien tuan referee ho he nilum thuma tu ni chana he boina ha sa na lowa an pui pilung ke hi jin tunin SK bo tu pa ban sa na he chadon na din ki he hom cha cha tam ta ta na san di na chu ba chu ni abani mondau lian min thang omji hu min se min lun do pa sau ku na si hu ding do ki do pan te di club president pan ki do ki pan te Akat ban nang boy na tu kipalan sa na he.
Dip ma ngak lah pin.
Ana gong takiam tua kahong kipat ada tahu so. Kipamin. Buin ay mam lehela final sa nei buin amo san patin melo pinacang henlang. Prize yok dong masang movin individual ano ho masawi tini cinadingan alalen Joshua motor stage long setain stage nga kademo na kipamin te. Kipame. Ama sa penin tuchung SK tournament ating top score Manglin Thang jersey number 9 from Itza Area Youth Development Association. Ama stage na kademo din piu lagi paminte. Peak current how much? Golden Ball Award. Come on, camera lah. May pin code na ba? PG ute. Abana best player hitu ni match sa kibe hikoin. First match ako na hong kibe tu ni match gate sa na hong kibe a. Ahoy pinong kilangdo oy ni sila atun. Hego from Itza jersey number 7. 7 dirham. 80 zon. Ay lakat pa lale. Nang dek sunga cilayom di. Ama hong sing lain best keeper of the tournament Michael Thangkulur from Kolmun Youth Club. Abana best coach Winigin mo kam Lal Chui Sang from Anon FC. Ipamin at sa inadingin alalen Joshua Motors de hibu din tilpinaw sa kanay pinong wenit silong sitain. Betul lah. Kumat dia. Boy. Chỉ khát khát vặt. Gol hậu hậu cú. Kalau ada siapa? Anda kihai milih jalan ni. Win. Semi final he ni tu mahi. Kau cakap no Whitelands, no Whitelands. Ani kuan cakap ti ti, nila anda cakap pun, itu tunin. KB, lampai hok, pen. Whitelands, agui tu lah, kemana? KB lampai hok umam. Player hok biar ulang. Onin ketantin abanin runners up
betul nak muat kita muat
yes kok
nak foto saya tak
pero dingin donors tahu abanin ke
runners up
นั่งอ่ะบูยี่ละจี
Chai area
อันนี้นั่งอ่ะให้หรอแก่ละ
game captain hello lady captain Yusuf Bandangan prize of laging tuloy ni Chai area
กับเด็กกำที่ตัวเตี้ยอาชีพประกอบอาชีพเพื่อเด็กที่ทำตัวตัวเนี่ยตัวเนี่ยปูนอาการคิวกันจ่อยจิตตั้งกันนะ
Kapitrin tak lah tu nak.
Hello. The 15 PUL Second Memorial Open Tournament 2022 second prize goes to Ichai area. Happy win! Happy win! Happy win!
Kami cuma team song tu lagi lah pen team pen ti diwata abo ho chu Anun FC ho hi kuin ma ho prize lagi ni ko gine he kain tidak dingin nu SK api lalu anu anu lalai hiji nama itu ni
Niklis Ose champion of the Papinan join us all here. The 15th Full SACOM Memorial Open Football Tournament 2022 champion trophy goes to Arun FC. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you boy.
Wakil Sukil Zekila Mane Patiminin Kivayda Murti 2022 Second Memorial Trophy itu saya tay Bon Chawit Hongpa Lam Siang Nilang 2023 dengan Bon Chawa Aleki Bokit Dingle Abenti dengan ikidim Menai
Like sometimes I go to the
Lai Puga Bunga Makaya Kipandihin Dunia Ungzau Si Ungzau Si Dingin Tim Iwe Lai Puga Tan Ungzau Si Bunga Makaya Kipandihin
Hả?